Mike is in the building. What up, AB Mike? What up, LeGrand? What up, Pablo? Classic Traders in the house. Yes, sir. Z Gamers in the house. What up, Green? What up, everybody? I was trolling y'all. No, my bad. I was busy handling some business. But how y'all feeling? Everybody good? Y'all good? Y'all good? Good to see you all today. Good morning to everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome back to another New York live stream here. We got a good day, big day ahead of us, and we should have some fun here today. What up, Grid? What up, Options? What's up, FX Viking? Nathan's in the building. What up, Nathan? What up, Feeks? Is it Feeks or Fex? Feeks or Fex? What up, Xander? What up, George? What's up, everyone? Big Folk Red's in the house. What up, Big Folk Red? What's up, Ewan? Storm Player. Hero of the day is here. What you got going on today, Hero? He's saving the day everywhere, in every occupation. What up, Ewan? What's good, FB? Got a Trade is in the house. What up, Jimmy Lambo? What up, Louis G? What's good, Dominic? What up, Bruno? All right, let's get the party started here, right? It's a couple minutes behind. I think gold needs some sort of pullback anyway. But yeah. What's up? Let me just send the Zoom link out, and then we're gonna get started here. What you guys do in London session? You guys do anything in the London session here? Oh, Donald. Okay. Donald with the big boy. Nice, dude. 100 pips, baby. Beautiful move there, bro. Beautiful. Yeah, gold just juiced up here, man. Yeah, didn't want to move yesterday, but today we got a pretty nice move on our hands here. So nice. So looks like some of you guys called buys here in London. Good job, good work. Yeah, nice, man. Nice. Awesome. Yeah, London money was on the table. London money was there. Let me see something. Yeah, nah, good entry. All right, cool. Yeah, so if you guys aren't in our free Discord, you guys can join our free Discord here. It's all free. I believe we have like 5,600 people in the Discord now. Great community here. Everyone's trading, right? You got people trading in the London, Asian. Obviously, we're here for New York session, but yeah, come on in to the free Discord. Great community here. A lot of growth happening in the Discord, which is great. And I'm excited to see it. So everyone's here in Zoom. All right. Yeah, I think we're good. Zoom links out. Sweet. Hey, they changed up Zoom on us, man. They switched Zoom. Gonna have to get used to this here. What up, Joe Stewart? What up, TK? Give me one moment. All right. Sweet. All right, cool. I think we're good to go. Zoom links out. Zoom is good. Screen is being shared. All right, yeah, I think we're good. Y'all ready to go? Y'all ready for a new day? It is October. It is the 11th day of October here. So moving along here in the month, it is a Wednesday, right? It's a Wednesday. Let's take a look at what's going on in Forex Factory, and then we'll go ahead and break down the charts, see where we're at on gold, see what has happened. I haven't really looked much outside of a quick glance from since Asian yesterday. So let's take a look at what we got going on here on this lovely 11th day of October on Wednesday here. So it looks like we're all clear up until about 8:30 here today, and then at 8:30 we've got some PPI, right? Core PPI, the regular monthly PPI as well. Then later on today you got FOMC meeting minutes, which is going on, but we will be long off the charts by that point. We also have an orange folder here at 10:15 here today, so we'll keep an eye out for that as well. But PPI should bring us volume. Hopefully we get a pullback, right? The news may ruin it for us here and just drive up, but we'll see when that comes out and have a good read on where price wants to head. So let's take a look at the charts here, see what we got going on gold and pound yen, and then we will yeah, and then we'll chill out and get to it. So let's take a look at the monthly time frame. Just going backtracking here. Let me just get my tools. It's a bit different here on Zoom annotations. Let me see something. Where is everything? All right, cool. All right, we're gonna try and finagle this here. Okay, cool. So yeah, so if we're looking at the monthly time frame, right? What do we notice here? We are in these all-time. Hey, how do we get that off? You guys see that? You guys know how to do it? Some of my smart friends. What up, Toby? All right. Anyways, we'll figure all that out. But we're up in here in this rejection zone, right? We understand where we are on gold. We're in this all-time high rejection zone here. So price has been moving down, right? Now, price has been moving down pretty steadily. We've seen that the candle had closed, right, below support here. So when we close below support, we expect the next candles to drive down. But look where the next support was. It was, oh, are we at the bottom of the range? The mid, would we consider this a closure at the bottom, towards the bottom of the range, the middle of the range, or the top of the range? Right? This is pretty much a closure right at the bottom of the range because there's another support level, right? There's a support right here that we need to keep an eye on, right? And gold rejected that support. Therefore, you should see the candles start to move up, right? And what's another leading indicator that the candles should move up? This candle here closing with no bottom wick, right? So no bottom wick on that previous monthly candle. Really, really nice drive down, but nothing right at the end. And what do we know about bearish candles that close with no bottom wick? Right, we understand that there's no range for the next candles to drive in. So if there's no range, then that means we're probably not going to move down and fill this clean territory here, right? So that's why you see a nice little push down to activate all the sellers in this range, right? All these sellers, and then price moves back up because they don't quite understand the concept of the no bottom wick, right? But we do. So we know that this candle has no bottom wick there. It's all good, no problem, right? We know price is now moving up. So we may need some sort of retracement to come back up to like 1918, 600 here at some point, or we may even come back up to like 1964. So that's something that we're going to be following here as the month continues on. As I said earlier, it's the 11th day of the month here. So we still got plenty of time in this monthly candle, right? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame here. So weekly time frame has been clearly moving down, right? You have this nice move down, you know, nice pullbacks, move down, pullback, really strong push. And then if you notice, we wicked out, right? So we ran out of steam here. We wicked out. And if we look left to where we wicked, oh my God, this is, how do we get that off? If we look left to where we wicked right into this support level here, right? So price has tapped target at this point on the sells, right? So we've been taking gold sells for quite some time here, right? So I think we're looking towards juicers now, right? We can pull our juice boxes out and potentially have some buys here, right? We attempted the buys yesterday, but yesterday's daily candle really didn't move much if you look at it, right? So the anticipation for yesterday is really what today's candle has done. And honestly, I've noticed something about the daily candles. And one thing I noticed is that when you get a really explosive candle, a lot of times, not every time, but a lot of times, the next day is like a dead day. It's like a flatter day where the daily candle doesn't move as much, and then it gets ripping again the following day. So just something I've been keeping an eye on there and watching and noticing on the daily time frames. But all in all, right, we closed, right, we rejected that level here of support on gold, right? So there was a support level right here that we rejected. This candle also had no top wick. No surprise here with the previous weekly with no bottom wick either, right? That this thing didn't drive. And now here we are moving on up on this weekly time frame with a strong bullish candle here. So that's what we got going on with the weekly. Oh, where is the eraser? There it is. That's what we got going on with the weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily and see where we're at today. So taking a look at the daily time frame, we noticed one thing, right? What's one thing we noticed? We came down here. Candles started getting smaller and smaller and smaller. We're running out of steam as we approach the support to the left, right? There's a major support level here to the left-hand side. And as we approach that, candles got smaller and smaller, right? We're losing momentum. And then if we look left, price was able to move up pretty nicely. And I think we could see price move up pretty nicely as well now. Now that we've created that really, really strong support at that previous support level, I think price is in a pretty good position to continue up, right? So if you look, we had a somewhat of a resistance right here, and price did close above that yesterday, giving us the celery play. No surprise that when gold broke the highs here, you've seen a nice move up. So we've got really, really clean traffic, gang, coming up here today. We should be able to see a pretty decent move here to the top side. I'm thinking that we could see price at least come up to about 1903 here today. We might have a little bit of struggle around this level here, which is 1887. So we'll see what happens there, but that's going to be about 135 pips away from current price. So we're going to look to target 1888, 1887, and hold runners here today to like 1904, 1903. So we should be able to get some decent volume here and movement with the news coming in, and that's what we're going to keep an eye on. So again, we are bullish on the day. Now you may say, but we closed bearish, right? But if you look at where we closed bearish, and this is what I try and teach the guys a lot, is sometimes it's not always about how a candle closes or what it closes as, but where it closes, right? And if we notice, this candle here has closed above the previous resistance to the left-hand side, right? This area right here closed above. I think that was the only problem that gold would have had. You see how price ran up here and then just boom, dropped from there? Well, we didn't have that issue here, right? Price closed above and moved up. Same thing here. Price closed above, and now you should see a move up. And although this candle closed bearish, that's totally fine because we're still hanging out above this level. Therefore, we should be able to take advantage of this clean traffic moving up here today. So that's what I'm going to be looking to do. That's what I'm going to be looking to target. Now, how are we going to do that? Right? How are we going to do that? We got to come down to these lower time frames and find some ranges and find some clean moves here for us. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour time frame has a pretty obvious support right here at 1859. There's also a very strong resistance that we have just tapped into at 1874, 240 here. So this 4 hour candle, the previous one here, also closed with no top wick, right? So candle closed with no top wick. What do we know about bullish candles that close with no top wick? Same thing as bearish candles that close with no bottom, right? There's really is a 50-50 chance that the next candle will really drive up, right? And one thing we notice about the current 4 hour candle is that there's no bottom wick here, right? So very, very little to no bottom wick. We may come back here, and we're due for some sort of retracement as we tap into this resistance area. Now, just because we're at this resistance, gang, doesn't necessarily mean that we are going to reject it, right? This whole resistance area here doesn't mean that we're going to reject it. It just means that it's here, right? We don't want to be blind to it, right? We want to either see a push above it and a close above, or we want to see some sort of retracement now coming back down so we can take advantage of the move back up, right? We talk about this all the time where London session gave us a nice move up. Now what our job to do is to wait for a retracement, some sort of pullback and support formed, and then we could look to take our buys coming up. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here today. If we take a look at the 1 hour time frame, we notice here that it is moving up, right? That price is moving up, and that, hold on one sec. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we notice that the 1 hour candles are moving up, right? They moved clean. You see, if you look left, you'll see a clean range, and price was able to fill that range here, right? This nice clean move here. You have a nice clean move coming up, right? So what we need to see is we need to see some sort of retracement on the 1 hour time frame. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 30 as well. 30 created a support down here. So yeah, I think if we can potentially come down now, right? Maybe even break below this support level. Let's go ahead and mark that support on the 30-minute time frame. And what we could do is we could look for range 2 sells below here, or fake outs to move back up. Or what we do is we just wait, right? We wait for price to give us some sort of support a little bit lower. And what I mean by a retracement and support, this is what I mean, right? We want to see candles come down like this, right? Come down and then create support at some point. So we want to see a bullish candle closure, right? That's how we know we officially have a support. And now we can continue moving up and take these buys here. So that's what I'll be looking for on gold here. I'll most likely stay out of these sells here, right? These sells right here. I'm only looking. I'm excited to see these bearish candles, but I'm not really looking to take the sells, right? I want to see that support being formed, and then I want to grab my buys to move back up here today. So that's what I'll be looking at here on gold. Just really sitting tight, waiting for a retracement at this point. Again, we're at that resistance level. We don't want to really take any buys up here. All right, no buys up here. We're rejecting that level. Let's wait for that support, hang tight for it, and then we'll take our buys moving back up. Or if we get some sort of a range 2 below here, we'll look to take sells. Cool. And what I mean by range 2, I just mean some sort of a oh my God, this Zoom thing, right? Retest and price to move back down now, right? We got a lot of clean traffic to the left here. So that's what I'm going to be looking to target. So range 2 sells today below 1869. If we don't get the sells, right, we're going to be aware that we could potentially take our buys from that level, right? So again, if price wants to move down like this, hold on, let me get this one. Price wants to move down here, right? We'll let price come down and then possibly give us some sort of a fake out, right, below here. And then we have a bullish candle close back above, right? And then this will be our move, right? So this will be the fake out and then our move back up. So that's what we'll look for here today. Again, not going to take sells off the original breakout below 69 here, because that's where I want to potentially find a fake out, right? And if you guys notice, this right here would be considered a fake out for price to move back up. So that is it. That is the day here on gold. Gonna follow price action, wait for familiar price action to show up like we do every day, and that's it. So let me mark this off. So range 2 sells below 1869 here today, buys above 1874. And look, we've got clean traffic coming down here, right? Very, very clean traffic coming down to 1860. And then if we look left, we've got these wicks to fill up here at 1879. So that's the deal here on gold. And then look above there, super clean traffic continuing on up, right? So a lot of room for gold today to drive if it wants to, and a lot of room to the downside as well here. So let's stay tight, and if we don't get any positions here, then what we could do is we could just wait, right? We could wait for a closure above that consolidation there, and move with it like that. So yeah, I think that's what we'll do actually. Yeah, buys above 1878 here. Let me get rid of this. Hold on. Yeah, I like that much better, right? After we break through all this consolidation, clean candles to the left, that's gonna work best here for me. So perfect. Boom. So that's it. So this is going to be, and let me just mark this off here, right? We're probably going to look, if we do close above, you've got really, really clean traffic. Let me just measure this out. You've got about 35 pip advantage point here. And then above that, you've got a 140 pip move here. So let's be patient here today. Let's wait for gold to ramp up and maybe get some sort of a pullback here, and then we'll look to take advantage of price. So that's going to be the day here on gold for me. I'm going to stay completely out of this range here today. I'm not going to touch anything within this range unless it's buys, right? If we can get buys again from down here. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah, if we can get buys somewhere from down here, then I will look to take advantage of those. But other than that, for sells, that's going to be a no trade range here for me today. But anything above these levels here is going to be all clean money here for me today. Same thing below 69 is going to be all clean for me. I'll look to take sells below there. I'll look to take buys above 77. And yeah, that's it. Simple stuff. So this is going to be a no trade range, right? No trade range. No trade. Yeah, no trade. Right? No trade range. That's where the sad faces happen. But anything above here, I'm going to look to take advantage of, right? And anything below here, I'll look to take advantage of as well. As long as we get that range 2, we can head on down. So that's going to be the day here on gold. Probably going to sit tight until news, because I doubt we'll break out of the range anyway before news. So yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll hang tight here on gold. Let me just fix this. And yeah, that's it. Perfect. All right, cool. All right, let's take a look at pound yen here as well, and see what we got going on. All right, so let's take a look at the monthly here on GJ. See what's good with GJ. So GJ is coming back up here, right? So we broke through all these lows. We never really tapped in and filled that wick. Looks like we're coming back up now. Whether we want to move up and break the highs to continue, or do we want to just give us a top wick here and then continue back down, right? That's what the monthly's trying to figure out right now. You have a strong rejection off the previous weekly candle. Weekly candle did close bullish. We did break the highs here. So price should continue up on the weekly here today, or maybe not today, but you know, throughout the week. Taking a look at the daily. Daily did close bullish, right? But you know, you close bullish and there's this strong resistance right here, and yeah, so we are bullish on the day. But we did close bullish below the resistance as well. So we've got the barcode strategy coming out today on pound yen. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, you have a very strong resistance here. You also have a really strong support, and that's this is basically the range that we're trading in, right? On the 4-hour time frame, just a simple range right here that we're looking at. So really we want to see the 4-hour kind of make a move outside of this range now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame has created a support right here. You also have a pretty strong resistance here, right? And the previous candle did close with no top wick. So yeah, I think pound yen is decent. Let's see if we can get the same thing, like a pullback for just like on gold, right? Especially with this candle closing with no top wick, we may start to run out of bullish momentum here. So let's see how the 30-minute candle closes. 15 did close bearish, creating a resistance with a wick to fill. I think I'm gonna approach pound yen this way today. So I'm gonna look for sells below 182.415 here, and anticipating the barcode strategy, right? And because those sells are gonna be breaking the lows here, right? So if we re-break this low, there's a high chance that you just see some consolidation today on the daily time frame here for pound yen, right? Something like this. So we could take advantage of the barcode strategy here. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Come on, man. I'm onto it. I'm onto y'all. So yeah, that's what we got going on. If we do break those lows, we are breaking the daily lows there. So there's clean traffic coming down to the left. And then I think if we get a closure, buys are a bit tough, right? We are bullish on the day, but a lot of resistances here in this level. So I'm going to let price do whatever the heck it wants to do. I'll look, if we get closures above 183.344 here, I'll take my buys unless we get some sort of new, you know, like another push down support formed. Then I'll look to maybe take buys coming back up from there. But yeah, I don't really want to touch anything in this range here, right? If we can, once we get past all these resistances here, you've got really clean traffic coming up to like 183.800 here. So that's what I'll be looking to do. I'll look to trade in this range and this range only, unless we get that pullback here, right? So if we get the pullback, awesome. Take buys once support is formed. If not, we'll wait for closures below the daily lows here and anticipate the barcode strategy on the daily time frame. So that's going to be the day on pound yen. So pretty big no trade zone here on pound yen unless we get that pullback. So yeah, I'll be patient here on GJ. I'm looking more so into gold here today, but if pound yen presents something, we'll be there for it. So that's it. That is the day. 30-minute breakdown there. Yeah, this will be so buys above 183.344, and then these sells are gonna have to be they're going to have to be range 2 sells, right? Because we don't want to get caught up in no fake out here. So these are going to be range 2 sells below 182.415, and then yeah, that's it. That's it, right? We don't want to take our sells. We don't want to take our sells below here, right? Because if we take our sells below here, then you've got all this choppiness to the left, right? Especially going against the daily bias. So we're going to wait, right? Because we want to trade in levels, in ranges that are super clean. And if you notice over here, you've got super clean candles, right, to trade within. So that's the range I want to be a part of. But being that we're going against the daily bias, we're going to need to wait for some sort of a range 2 breakout, right? So what I mean by that is just a very simple closure outside of the range, right? We won't budge necessarily on this closure. We will wait, right? We'll wait for 2 or 3 more, or however many, oh my goodness, however many more it takes. But what we really want to see ultimately is support being formed. Yo, support being formed, right? Price moving back up, and then giving us some sort of resistance at that point, right? And then we'll look to take our sells now below the closure here. So get a close below, and then we'll look to take sells coming down. Yeah, and what that'll do is that'll avoid us from the fake out, right? Because sometimes price will come down. Let's say we're looking for the closure below. When you're going against the daily bias, you'll get a closure, and then next thing you know, price will break the lows and then come back into the range, right? Giving you a fake out. So we don't want to be faked out, right? We want to wait for some sort of better structure, right? Because if this is your first range, and we can't or this is your first range right below here, we need that support to be formed. This will be pretty much your range 1, right? Range 1 is here, and then range 2 below here. So once you get that breakout below, now we could take advantage of that territory down there. So yeah, man, that's the day. That's the day here on GJ, and we'll just sit tight and wait. Right, a little bit of a waiting game here today, but that's what trading is all about. So cool, that's it, we're done. Now we wait. Easy part is done, hard part begins. Do you have a video on the daily bias? Yeah, you can check out the video I did on time frames. Yeah, so if you guys want to get good at doing top-down analysis and really telling a story from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, check out the video that we have on the YouTube channel. It's all about breaking down the charts from the higher time frames down to the lower time frames, and really understanding the higher time frames and making sense of them, right, down there on those lower time frames, so you can find opportunities to take positions. Y'all got the Zoom link, right? Zoom link's out. Yeah, October 11th. Yeah, you guys should be good. Buenos dias. What up, Jonah? Yes, for Zoom. All right, cool. If you guys missed the breakdown on gold, just track back a little bit. Go back to like, I don't know, 7:15 maybe? Like 7:10, 7:15. Watch your video on the beginner. Oh, nice. Yeah. Did you guys enjoy the interview I did with Calvin there on the Forex beginner mindset? If you guys haven't checked or seen it yet, go ahead, check it out. The Forex beginner mindset is the name of the channel there. You guys can check the interview out there. Yeah, here it is. Right here. Yeah, some of you guys know Calvin, crushing it right now. Yeah, he's doing his thing, man. But yeah, we did an interview. It's pretty solid. Had good conversation on and off the charts with this dude. So I look forward, next time I'm in Miami, maybe we'll do one in person. Yeah, guys, go check the interview out. Go comment on the interview. Go support my man Calvin, man. He's doing it up. Give him some comments on the video and all that good stuff. Just subbed after seeing you on the Forex podcast. Oh, nice. Fly Jones, welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Yo, everyone new here today, welcome to the live stream. We do this every day, Monday through Friday. You know, in the beginning, we do special top-down analysis on gold and pound yen. Sometimes we'll look at other pairs if you guys want. You guys can send charts on things that maybe positions that you've taken or ideas that you have. We'll take a look at them. But overall, just welcome. And if you have any questions at all, just feel free to ask them in the chat. This is an environment for growth, and that's what we've been able to do here. So it's good to have you guys, and enjoy. Can you keep on adjusting support and resistance? Yeah, absolutely. On your top down? Yeah, 100%. Yeah, let me show you guys the video I'm talking about here. If you go to the YouTube channel, just come over here to videos, and this is it. How to tell a story from each time frame. So in this video, you'll learn how to really break things down from the higher time frames to the lower time frames, how to really tell a story, figure out the details within the candles, you know, and what the candles are saying. And that's going to help you, you know, when you track things down, right, and you can tell a story from the weekly, or even let's say from the monthly to the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour. Now you know the direction with ultimately price wants to go, right? So now you can find those ranges. If you trade the way we trade, you can find those ranges just like you've seen me do here, and find the best ranges to trade in, you know, the safest and highest quality ranges to be participating in. So yeah, good video. Yeah, what I like to do is the easiest way to really do a top-down analysis is go ahead and find the nearest support and resistance on each time frame and start adjusting, and then you're going to find yourself trapping price on the lower time frames, right? And then once you have a solid indication of, okay, here's where I want it, right? This is the range. Now look, you may not have this zone here, right? You may just say, well, this is the resistance here, right? And that's fine. So once you have your ranges and everything looks good, now you want to double check, right? You ever hear that, you know, you want to double check things before you move on. So what you want to do, and what I mean by double checking, is you want to make sure, hey, is this the right support that I should be having here, right? Is this the right resistance that I should be having here? And the way you do that and confirm that is by simply scrolling back and looking left, right? And if you scroll back and look left, you'll notice here that this resistance is okay, but there's a lot of consolidation above it, right? So when you get in your trade up here, what candles like to do is they like to look left and mimic what their friends to the left have done, right? So if you get a closure above and you start taking buys, well, look what price did in this range last time, right? Price may go ahead and do all that in this range here again, right? Where it just consolidates and moves sideways. So you don't want to be a part of that, right, in your move. So what you would do is you would just adjust it, right? So that little quick little double check helps out so much. And I think we could do that here for our sells as well, right? You see how there's a support right here? There's also a pretty strong support right here. So I think we could adjust that as well here today. And now we just wait for our sells below these lows here. Yeah. So sometimes you just got to fine tune it by looking left. That'll help you out big time. Yeah, look left to get right. Exactly. How many years have I been trading? I've been trading since 2019. 2019. Oh, you told me about that support 7 minutes ago? I'm sorry, I missed the comment. But yeah, good stuff. Good look. Good look. Good eye there. We'll be live tonight? Nah. Tonight's not the real FOMC. It's just a little meeting. Found you through Raja. Did you learn from him? Yeah, I took a lot of stuff from Raja. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, Raja really helped me mold this mold the foundation to my strategy here. Yeah, before that I was trading more so as an intraday trader and didn't really enjoy that too much. And then I found Raja and he was trading like keeping things very simple, right? Looking at candles, looking at volume, looking at ranges, and that just kind of fit my personality, kind of fit my level of learning, and yeah, it just sat right with me. So yeah, a lot of this stuff you know, came from his ideas and, you know, his teachings in the market. How many accounts have I blown before profitable? I wasn't really counting. You know, I wasn't really counting because I knew at the end of the day this was going to set me free. And I knew that I was going to have to run through some failure. I was prepared for it. You know, I knew I wasn't just going to get in this thing and it was going to be easy peasy, right? I knew it was going to take time. I don't even know, man. It's been, I definitely blew up a lot of accounts. And even after I was profitable, right? I would just risk like 30% of my personal accounts sometimes, and just, you know, like I told you, like a lot of the guys who've been here for a while, that my struggle as a beginner in trading was a lot of like revenge trading when I took a loss, you know. So I would battle back and I would risk more, and you know that would ultimately, you know, push me to blow in the accounts most times. But to be honest, bro, I wasn't even counting. I didn't care. I didn't care how many accounts it took, how much time it took. I knew I was going to get it done because I wanted to, right? I wanted to do this. So did I take any trades after yesterday's stream? No, I didn't take anything. How many months did you actually became consistently profitable? How many months did it take? It took me like a little over 2 years to really become profitable. Yeah, and then this year I was I don't think I had a negative month. I had a negative month, I believe, in July or August. But before that, yeah, before that it was a minute. Like this whole year has been good. This whole year has been really good price action for our playbook. But I think it was at some point last year. February for me this year was a bit of like a little bit. It was like a break-even month. I think I profited a little bit, but it was very slow February. But yeah, it's been a good run this year. You know, I think we were profitable basically January, March, April, May, June, July, and then I think August we ran into a negative month. Where'd I get my first capital trade from? I don't know. I just had some money. Yeah. You know, I think I'm like everyone, right? I just started with like a $500 account. Yeah, I think I started with like 500 bucks. Blew that, you know. Then I said, man, I need someone to do this for me. So I paid someone to do it for me, and they sucked, and had to figure this thing out on my own. Yeah, I think July was the negative month this year. But, you know, when you're profitable like 18, 20 months, like pretty consistently, it's okay to have a bad month, right? It's not going to hurt you mentally. It's not going to hurt you financially. You know, it's not going to hurt your trading, you know, your belief in your system, because you already know, hey, it's worked for, you know, 15 months straight at this point, right? If you have a losing month, it's really not a big deal, right? Some of you guys that come from the job world, you hear me say, hey, I didn't make any money in July. And you're like, what? Like, what? Like, you know, and that's just how it is as an entrepreneur, right? I know a guy that's a multi-millionaire, and this dude gets paid like 4 months out of the year. So, you know, you got to shift the mindset, right? Sometimes I could tell like very quickly where people are in their mentality, how much I could almost, by what you say to me, I could probably hit you with a average number that's very close to your bank account, right? So you have to understand that as an entrepreneur, not every month is going to be a profitable month, but a lot of the months that are profitable, they're months that, let's say you would quadruple a lot of times what the average person's salary is in a month. So when you do have a slow month, it's not, you know, not a big deal. How can I get your mentorship? Right here. Right here. Just pull up to the streams every single day. It's all free, right? There's no better, you know, there's maybe a little bit better mentorship because maybe we spend more time together, but I mean, this is good enough, right? This is pretty solid here. Just show up day in and day out, and you'll start to understand. That trade yesterday was turned. Great call. Yo, that trade yesterday, honestly, if you weren't taking buys at 8 a.m. yesterday, I mean, like, that was a money trade, right? We created solid support there. We had a really nice stop loss. Typically, when you see that support formed with a long wick like that to the bottom at 8 a.m. NY open, man, 8, 9 times out of 10, that thing is moving up. So I would if we get that position today, chat, I'm gonna be in there. So if you guys can, you know, stay out, that's fine. But if we get that same exact move here today, I will 100% be in that position. How many negative months did I have this year? I think just one. Yeah, one. Yeah, you're gonna have a negative month here and there, right? If you guys are gonna be in this game, just prepare for it. Like, you shouldn't be shocked, right? The only reason a lot of people are shocked, again, is because they come from that 9 to 5 mentality, and they come from that paycheck to paycheck lifestyle, right? So if they don't get a check on Friday, man, that throws people back. Man, they can't even pay their rent. So I understand how it's hard for some of you guys to understand that type of stuff, right? Because it's just different levels to this, you know, it's just different levels. So once you get towards that next level, you'll hear me, right? You'll start to understand what I mean by what I'm saying. What did I learn from yesterday's loss? Nothing really, just to try. Yesterday's loss was one of those probability ones, right? I think the only thing that wasn't on our side was the 4 hour. That was the only thing. Other than that, everything looked clean, and even the position I took off the 15-minute, I still would have taken that, right? I don't think there was really anything wrong at all with the price action there. So yeah, I really didn't. Yesterday's trade, there was not much to learn from outside of, you know, the 4 hour was heavily bearish. And the one thing I have been noticing is, like, after and I said this earlier to the chat, but after a really big move like this, and this is on the daily time frame, a lot of times the next daily, it doesn't really do much. And yesterday really hit me, because this is something I've been looking into for like maybe 2 or 3 months now, that after you get a really big push on the daily, sometimes, and like an abnormal push, like a change in direction like you see here, and then a big push up, a lot of times the next day really doesn't juice up, right? Or really bleed down. It'll just kind of be one of those stagnant days. And then price will move the following day or the day after that. So that's probably the only thing that really resonated and clicked a little bit more for me, was to keep an eye on that when we were looking at the daily time frame moving forward. What did you guys learn from yesterday's trade? Did you guys learn anything? Did you guys find any flaws in that 8 a.m. trade? That NY Open trade. Hey, Nick, great interview with Calvin. Had to come over here and show some love. Hopefully learn something. Hey, good to have you here. Thank you, thank you. She unique. I like that. She unique. Hey, yo, she unique, son. She unique. I like that name. Do I have a trade open at the moment? No. If I have a trade open, you guys will see everything. Like, I don't just like sneak trades in. I'm gonna let y'all know, right? I'm be like, hey, I got a trade on. I'm doing this. I'm looking at this. I'm in sells. I'm looking to target here. I'm looking to go break even at this point. I'm looking to close partials at this point. Full TPs here. So you guys will 100% know. Plus, you also see my floating P&L down there. Yeah, you guys will know if I'm in a trade. We learned to search for other streamers, but you couldn't find one, right? You just had to come on back. All right, you're coming back for a reason. You're here for a reason. Yeah, you guys know traders lose trades too, right? You guys know that, right? That it's normal to take a loss. Good day. Do you avoid news? I do. Yeah, I stay away from news. I'll let the release come out and then look to find positions after that. Nothing better than trading in DR. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, Nikki. Yeah. Nikki. We're not announcing trades anymore. That's right. Just gonna take them, and if you guys seen it, you seen it. If not, then you missed it. Nice, dude. Yeah, price came up, sweep the lows a few times yesterday, knocking me out each time. Learn how to regroup, wait on my hands, and enter trade again. Trust in the trade. Awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep, just waiting for that next best setup. Yeah, the price came down twice. I mean, price came down like 3 times yesterday, right? And just swiped those lows out, man. So that was pretty interesting. Yeah, pretty interesting. Yeah, then we ultimately just trickled up. All right, cool. Yeah, so the 4-hour candle's pulling back a little bit after tapping into that resistance there. So let's see how we make out. So all we need at this point is a support to be formed, right, on the 30-minute or the 1-hour time frame. So maybe on the 30-minute we get a support formed here as we approach NY Open. So let's see what happens. We got 100% win rate here. Did I take any trades after that? No, I didn't. Santiago. Okay, we got NY Open here. So the NY Open is happening. So look, we closed with very little to no bottom wick on that 15, right? So if we can get a support to form on the 15 or the 30-minute time frame here, then that may be our opportunity, right, for this retracement and price to now move back up. But in order for that to happen, we need to see a support formed, right? We need to see some sort of support. Oh my, Zoom's quaking, chat. I don't like this new feature. Yeah, messing with my drawing skills here. But yeah, this is what we're looking for here. So this is what we want to see here on gold now. So if we can get that support formed, then we may have an opportunity now to continue up. We'll enter on the break of the highs, moving on up. Moving on up. Man, I got to get used to Zoom here. They changed the whole feature here on this thing. Oh, whoa, what did they do here? What's this? Oh, stream. Zoom quaking. Journal's missing one trade from yesterday. Yeah, we already, those are in the signals journal. So you guys didn't want me to put the signal trades up there, right? That's what you guys said, so that's what we're doing. What up, Johnny boy? The man is in the house today. Let's get him up here. What's good, brother? Oh.
Morning, Nick. What's up?
Oh, wow. Yo, Zoom really dropping the ball. No way. Oh, damn. How do I, there's got to be a way to keep this here. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. But then I got to keep my tools over here. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is the volume too loud?
Nah, you good. Yeah, you good. Good morning, bro. How you feeling?
Feeling amazing, bro. Ready to win the day today. How are you feeling?
Feeling fantastic, man. Waiting for this support.
Bro. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for as well. Morning, chat. Happy Wednesday. Let's go. Let's win the day today, y'all.
Let's win it. What up, Shad?
We win the day by focusing on following our plan, being disciplined, being patient to our system, and let's think long term about this, right?
Mm-hmm. What up, YOLO trader? Oh my God, yeah, Zoom is these guys are gonna disappear now. I don't get it. How do we keep these dudes on the screen? Where's Zoom at?
I'm quaking.
Yo, what'd they do to Zoom here?
They must have just updated it.
Yeah, they did last night.
Wow.
This update's trash. All right, anyway. Great interview with Calvin. Here to learn. Hey, what's going on? Said Banks. Said Banks. Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out the interview we did on the Forex Beginner podcast, go ahead, check it out, man. Leave a comment for my man Calvin, too. Leave a comment.
Man, that's one to check out. A lot of gems in that.
This one right here. Good podcast, man. Great guy. Calvin, solid dude, man. I was telling them before, next time we're in Miami, we're going to do some sort of in-person. Yeah. Yeah, we had a blast. We had a good time on and off the camera, man. Like, solid dude all around. Hits me up, asks me how my family's doing.
Great guy.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. So yeah, we'll see if we get a closure here. Looking at towards like the 15 or the 30-minute closure here. So we'll see what happens with that. But right now we're just waiting here on gold. Oh, oh. Sergio, you ain't here from the interview. Bro, your podcast is amazing, really inspiring. Oh, thank Wick the Kid's in the house. What up, Wick the Kid? He's here. Been following Calvin from his early days. Amazing guy. Oh, nice. Yeah, yeah, solid dude. Yeah, I remember. I actually seen a few interviews of him. Like a while back. He was kind of just like, I like him because he was showing his failures. A lot of people, they don't want to show their failures, man. It's like your success inspires people, but your failures like show people that they could do it too. That's why I wanted to really live stream this stuff, you know, because you get to see what traders really go through, right, on a day-to-day basis, instead of just having hopes and dreams every time you open up your IG story and you just see some dude winning at the highest levels in life and you feel like crap, right? I wanted to show you guys live what it's like to trade, what it's like to have really profitable months, what it's like to have maybe break even months, what it's like I think I've only showed you guys one negative month, right? But just to show you the cycle and the journey of this stuff, man. Otherwise, you look towards the internet and you can be very, very fooled, right? You could be very fooled. So
Oh yeah. The failure, man, the failure builds you into that success, right? There is no success without failing.
Yup. And
all trial and error brings equal seed of success, right? It gives you, the wisdom you need from the failure you took to get you to your success.
Mm-hmm.
So it's necessary.
Yep, it is. It is. And
the reason why people fail, right, is because they can't get through that failure. But only a small percentage of the world, right, are a success.
Yeah, chat.
So be aware of that.
Entrepreneurship is rewarding, but it's tough. It's tough. You're gonna go through tough times as an entrepreneur. Even money has nothing to do with whether you're, happy or sad or anything either, right? I know guys who make a lot of money, but they're sad, right? They can't get to the next level, right? Or they, that once you get something, now you have to maintain it, right? So a lot of people think, hey, when I reach 10,000 a month, oh man, life's gonna be awesome. When I reach 20,000 a month, life's gonna be incredible. But that's not how it works, right? A lot of times, right? Because once you get to those levels, you're always gonna want to achieve as an achiever. You're always gonna want more. You're always gonna want to level up and be better, and all that stuff. So don't base your judgment of success on dollars, because that's not really the case, right? Because you can make 30 grand a month, but just be so inspired to get to the next level. It has nothing to do with money at that point. So don't put so much hope in money, man. Just, enjoy the process, right? This is the work, right? The whole a lot of times you'll hit a goal and you'll think, man, I thought I would have felt better about being there, right? But that's not where the joy is. The joy is truly in the journey. So when you do take losses, understand that they're lessons, right? Understand that they're growing points and times to, find value in the struggle, right? And then when you do succeed, right, just understand that, hey, this was already done. I'm not surprised because this is what I set out to do. So just enjoy the journey, man. Don't say, hey, I'll be this when I get there, or I'll be that when I get over to this level. Just be that now, right? Just work on being that person now, and you'll get there. You said some people are motivated by the dream, others by the nightmare. Yeah, exactly. Yes, 100%. Yeah, some people are more motivated by, hey, I don't want to live this way. Some of you guys have dramatic experiences as maybe a kid, maybe parents, you know, didn't have a lot of money, right? Didn't have a lot of resources to support you with, right? And now in your older years, or as you're growing up, you're becoming an entrepreneur and you're starting to see a different life, and you have a different vision that you want to provide for your kids. But where was I going with that? I don't even remember. Yeah, I was reading this funny comment here actually. But but yeah, so you know, enjoy the struggle, right? Enjoy it. There's joy, there's value in the valley.
Well, make sure you keep your attitude up, right? Because that attitude is what's going to get you that perspective, right? Your attitude can make a difference in the result, right, of your situation. So make sure you keep a good attitude up.
Yeah. Attitude, baby. Sammy Capital's in the house.
I'm the man.
Oh yeah, I was talking about going back to being broke. Right? Some of you guys you want to provide a better life for whether it's your future or your future kids, right? And that's the nightmare. So you don't ever want to go back to that. So that can fuel you, right? That could fuel me as well. For me, one thing I hated was working a job, man. So for me, the nightmare of me or my wife or something going back to a 9-to-5 job just scares the crap out of me. So I'll just do whatever it takes to win, right? Just find a way to win. Classic trader living the life. He's living it. He's living it. You're describing me.
What up, baby Mike?
AB Mike is in the house. What up, AB? Yeah, it's kind of like a gun, right? You kind of want to have it and not need it, right? Then need it and not have it. That's what money is, right? Money's not good or bad. Here, someone said, what's the quote of the day? The quote of the day is, money's not good or bad. It just takes on the characteristic of the person who has it. That's the quote of the day, right? Money's nor good or bad. It just takes on the characteristic of the person who has it. Right? So if you're a good person, you can do a lot of good with your money, right? Money's just a tool. That's all it is. Scared of a job, Forex Frank? Yes, 100% I am. Oh yeah. We're going back to McDonald's though after yesterday. Better believe. What's the best book we should read? The Bible. Hands down, 100%. All the success stuff comes from that book anyway, and all those principles. Whoever's saying money's bad can give it to me. All right, so we got a 15 close. The only way I'm taking this off the 15 is if we get a break of the low here, right? This candle has no bottom wick. So if we come down, make a bottom wick, break the lows, and re-break the highs, I'll be interested. If not, I'll be waiting on the 30-minute closure here. Oh, actually, we got news coming in. So, yeah, probably not going to touch anything here.
Be nice to come down a little bit more. Gold.
Yeah, that'd be nice. That'd be nice if this is the fake support, and then we come down to like this support, right, to move back up.
I love that.
What's the best book for Forex? The Forex Mindset by that was the best book I read on Forex. The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. This one right here.
Yeah, Forex Frank. The only man you want to be working for is the man. That's it. Only boss you want.
Yeah, I got no problems working for me. 20K subs today. Oh, how many subs we got? We're creeping, I believe, right? Oh, 19.9. Oh, snap.
Oh, damn.
We growing, baby. We growing. Raja's killing it this week. Hell yeah. Raja's dominating this week, dude.
Raja's been
dominating. I didn't see Raja's trade today. Did he post it?
Nope.
I know he took buys. Oh yeah. 100K, 100 plus. Yeah. Look at that. Perfect playbook setup right there. Break of the highs. Moving on up. That dude's nasty with it. He's nice with it. That man's not normal.
That man Raja's been grinding, y'all.
Yeah, but what's Raja been doing, right? Raja's been grinding and grinding and for years and years and years, right? Before anyone was really live streaming, Raja was on here live streaming, killing it, taking his wins, taking his losses, moving along, not crying like a little baby, just being disciplined and learning and growing, and that's why he has what he has today, right? But how many people can keep that up? A lot of people fall off the cliff, man. A lot of people fall off the cliff. $20K special, 200 lots. Your interview with Calvin was fire. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that. All right, let's see. Can we drive down a little bit more here, right? So a lot of people, they don't even know news is going on, right? They don't even know, right? So they took a buy here. So maybe price wants to continue down just a bit further, right? 1 hour did close bearish here. So yeah, we're gonna wait here for news to come out. I've been watching Raja since 2020. The way he takes advantage of, yeah, exactly. Yeah. The way he really takes advantage of like uncertainty in the market is fire. Yeah, same here. I've been watching him since like 2020 as well. Did I take Raja's course? Yeah, I took all of his took everything he's put out. And the more recent videos I haven't kept up on, but yeah, everything else. Yep.
Yo, Sam the man in Zoom.
Oh, yeah, there you go. There's the push down. That wipes out all the 15-minute buyers there. So yeah, I think we come down and tap into like this support level here, right, to the left-hand side. The support level. See how price came down, closed, and then moved up from there. So we might see that today. So we really want to wait for the news to come out now, because this hourly candle, the 30-minute candle, yes, it could move up, but it could also break these lows, move down, and then close somewhere around like 1868 here. So do I use prop firms? Yeah, I do. So I've been using my Forex fund. So I've had a 100K account with them for about like I've been using them for like a year and a half now, maybe a little longer. So for the longest, I just had a 100K account, but my account got frozen with them. So I don't have that live account anymore. So now I'm doing a 400K challenge account here with the funded trader. My frozen funds? Yeah, exactly. Um, 400K on mental, you should use 100 master account. Oh, no, that's cool. I don't even look at that stuff. Literally, I don't even look at the floating profit, none of that. I measure things in percentage, right? Same thing, right? So if you can make 8% on a 100K account, you can make it on a 400K. It's nothing different. The money itself is different, but I'm never looking at the money. So it really doesn't, the mental side of it doesn't come into play really. Is it taking more time to pass this one? I've had a few 100K accounts, so it depends. I mean, there's been times where I like went up on in one day, right, on a 100K account. There's been times where it take me 2 months. So yeah, probably about the same.
Yeah, at the end of the day, it's all up to the charts, right? It's a give and take relationship. We take what the markets give us every day.
Yeah. What percentage am I risking? I'm risking like 2.5%. Yo, facts. Assad, yo, that's facts. Come on, gang. Oh damn, my bad, Johnny boy. This Zoom thing is really. I gotta figure Zoom out here after the stream. I don't know what's the deal.
Chilling.
You guys ever heard of Google? Google. Some of you guys are like, what are you guys like 85 years old? You don't know how to use the internet? You don't know how to use Google? It's like my grandpa, man. Is John your brother in real life? Yeah. Yep. Sell NASDAQ? Oh, nice. That's funny. Yeah, did you guys take any trades today? What are you guys doing? What are you guys looking at here?
What's up, Evan? How you doing?
Damn, Nick ducking the question. Must be in DD. What's the question? Some of you guys think your question comes up like, Nick, answer me.
They think like you're like trading like right now, like you're in a trade.
Did 4% on Euro USD this morning. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Oh, 4% win on. Oh, nice, Sergio. Fire. Oi, what up, Sam? Sam's in the house.
Wait.
Just chilling at the moment. Nice. He stopped following you? Who stopped? Who stopped following me, and how do you know that? Damn. Hold on, let's get Sam up here real quick. Sammy boy's in the cabin.
Yo.
He's in the cabin.
What's the word?
What's the good word? What's the good word there, Sammy boy?
Yo, how's everyone doing? How you guys doing?
Amazing, bro. By yourself?
Fantastic.
I'm doing great. Muy fantastico.
Me fantastic.
What I like to hear.
Got
20K
news.
loading.
20K
Yes, sir.
20K loading. New 5% loaded. We're getting ready to shoot today, boy.
Yeah.
I got a new clip in here, right? You ready to go?
This dude's out of send it. The
On
bird's the
Sunday.
word. What up, Sergio? What up, Henry? Where's the Oval Office? Yo, it's getting heated, bro. How to dip out? I take calls from the red phone up here.
Mr. Powell, I will take all your calls today. Raja about to get into a Hellcat. Oh, nice.
Oh.
yeah.
Oh. Raja about to be doing donuts in the parking lots in Dubai.
The only guy that serves donuts in Dubai is Raja Banks. You heard?
Yeah. He gonna have it up on 2 wheels, bro. He gonna have to get a wheelie bar on the back of it. You're gonna be like,
he's riding heavy in the trunk, boy. That man riding heavy. Oh man, just wondering. Haven't been on the stream in a while. Curious how you've been going. Oh, it's been going great. Yeah, nah, don't worry. You didn't sound rude. Yeah, nah, been great. Been doing good as always. Thanks for checking in. Yeah, we've done pretty well over the last month or so. Let's go ahead and take a look at what you missed. So October's here. We got 2 wins, 2 losses, 1 break even, and then I guess you missed September, which was pretty much all wins for the most part. Just 1 loss there. Yeah. Yeah, so now we in October. Let's see if we can stack up some trades here in October.
Let's go.
Oh man, they're gone again. There they are. There's got to be something here on Zoom to switch that. Oh, nice. So we're gonna get. So the news came out here, right? So news drove down right away after that bearish closure. So that's our tap right into 68 there, right? So if we can form a support now, then price should continue moving up at this point. All right, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours trying to close bullish here. So we've got about 30 minutes left in this 4 hour candle here. News just came out driving the 1 hour candle down. 30-minute candle as well, 15-minute candle as well. No top wick on anything just yet. So yeah, we're just hanging tight here. Let's see what happens at 68, which was that support level, right? That's where we wanted price to come back down to. Four losses. You guys don't pay attention, man. You guys told me. Do you guys want this? Yeah, we already discussed this, right? The signals are in a different journal, right? You guys didn't want to put the signals on the live stream journal. Come on, man.
Dude, they're just quaking. Some.
Yeah, so there's two separate journals, one for the signals, one for the live streams. Oh, damn. Yeah, they're gone again. Boom. There they are. Yeah, there's got to be something up with Zoom here to keep this up there. Shiro, G-check Zoom here, man. What's going on? Shiro, slice them up. Saw your interview yesterday. Loved your vibe. Oh, nice. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, Margarita. Yeah, still on phase 1, yep. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're enjoying the vibes here, hanging out, waiting with us. We've seen news just pop out and drop about 30 pips. Nothing too crazy. But if you're enjoying the stream, if you've been enjoying the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you, yes you, maybe you guys can get us to 20K subs here. We're at 19.9. Will we get there today? The balance, let me get the balance. Balance is 300,084, 345 and 2 cents is the balance. Yesterday was break even. Yesterday I lost 4%. I took 2 trades, 2 losses there, and lost. So I'm down about 4%. Yeah, it was break even yesterday. I said, "Damn, son, where'd all that money go?"
Life of a trader. Money flows, baby. Comes in and
Oh,
out.
we lose money here too.
Nope, you must be a perfect trader.
I loved. Oh, nice. Is there ICT trader? No, I never traded ICT, but I heard a lot of good things about them. Damn, son. Basically, I'm down. If that was my 100K account, I'd be down like 4K. Watch your podcast last night. Oh, nice. Ever since I went in your Discord, I've been making 20 to 80 a day to 5 to 7. Oh, nice. That's some insane growth right there. Holy. Remember, never call buy and sell stops, just place them. Yeah, I'm going to call them for the signals chat, and then that's it. I'm going to leave y'all wondering. Chat was wild yesterday. Yeah, it can get... when we take a loss, it can get a bit crazy. Not going to lie. Yeah, you got all these crazy people coming in. It gets sticky. It gets sticky.
Haters.
Hey, some of these streamers be getting death threats and everything, which, man.
Sheesh.
Their idols are silver and gold, the work of... Yes, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, that's why you could never trust in man alone, right? Because man will beat you when you're down, right? It's like Yankee Stadium, man. You remember when they booed Derek Jeter? They booed the man, right? When he got into a little slump. So, yeah, it's no worries, man. It's the sign that you're a champion, right?
Sure.
Yeah, but you can't trust in man, bro. Man will kick you when you're down, and not many men will lift you up. So all the ones that will, shout out to all you guys. You guys really sent me a lot of great messages yesterday, which was pretty cool. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, if you weren't taking buys on that candle, I'm sorry, bro.
Yeah.
I said that yesterday. I was like, I'll take that same trade any day of the week.
Sorry.
Yeah, if that happens again, I'm taking it. So you guys don't have to take it.
Hey, good loss over bad win, chat, any day of the week. right? I knew I took the win in disguise, even though I took a healthy loss. It was a win in disguise over the long term, right? Over the long run of things. So I knew I took the W, and that was my only goal today, was to follow my plan, not to make a certain percentage or make a certain amount, just to follow my playbook setups.
Yeah, if you guys haven't noticed, we just do what we preach, right? And yesterday, what do we preach, right? If we take a win, awesome. Do you ever see me celebrate winning trades? Y'all ever see me jump up and down when we take a win? Never, right? You guys ever see me cry and act like a little baby when we take a loss? Never, right? Because that's not where the real win and loss take place. And some of you guys just need a little bit more experience to understand that, right? Trading's a probability game. So the real win is executing on the edge, right? The real win is when your setup shows up, you execute. That's it. Being disciplined, like John said, his only goal any day, and especially yesterday, but every day, is to show up and follow the plan. Right? That's it. So it's cool to see who's learning, who's not learning, you know, on some of the losses that we ever take, is that you can tell very quickly who's still very immature and who's actually really growing in the game. So a lot of you guys are growing big time, which I'm proud of you guys for. And by the way, some of the stuff that you guys see in the chat when we take a loss, just always keep this in mind. A successful person would never type in a chat like that. So you would automatically know that you're dealing with brokies and broke-minded people. And do we lose sleep over brokies and broke-minded people? Absolutely not.
Hell no.
Are y'all going to take that trade with me if we get it here again? Because I'm going to take it. You going to pull the trigger with me, or are you going to be scared? You can be scared from yesterday because the probability wasn't in our favor. What do you think? Hell yeah.
I'm quaking, bro. I'm quaking.
You have an amazing win rate, but lately I noticed stop loss get hit, secure when profits therefore grow. Yeah, so lately we've been hitting full stops. So that hasn't been happening all year long, you know, but when you do hit full stops, it's going to be, you know, a little bit of a bigger loss, you know, and I already understand that. I've already been through the cycles of that, you know. Yeah, a lot of times the way I like to manage positions, you won't stack up as many losses, but when you do take one, it's most likely a full loss. But like, let's say like we got into a position right here, right? And, you know, stops were kept up here, let's say. And the way we were going to manage the position, oh my God, Zoom, where are you? Hold on, guys. Yo, this Zoom thing is...
Yeah, I seen it when you dropped the
quick.
candles.
Yeah.
What they got going on?
What is the deal here with Zoom? They need to make this trader friendly, right? So let's say we're in this position, blah blah blah, right? And the only way we're gonna manage it in a drawdown is either we hit full stops or get a closure above the range. So a lot of times what'll happen is price will move up, and I could have hit a full stop there, but price comes back down, right? And it either comes back down and closes below the range. Therefore, you know, most of the time I'll hold the position, or it'll come all the way up and then drive down and let's say close right here, right? So if it's going to close right there, then what I'll do is, this is the way I'll manage my position, is I'll exit this position here based off of logic, right? Keyword there, based off of logic, because if price is now closing back above this level, there's a high chance that the next candle should begin to drive up. So therefore, I'm going to cut my trade there off of logic, but not off of emotion, right? What this does is this allows you to stick to a logical plan. And is your full stops going to get hit from time to time? Yes, right? That's something I'm willing to live with. But a lot of times what'll happen is it'll come up to the stop loss and move back down, right? Because price action is still price action. So yeah, yes, lately over the past like 2 months, I'd say anytime we hit stops, most of the time it was full stops, but it won't always be like that. Full margin. Let's go, Steven. Zoom really is quaking though.
New updates, man.
Oh yeah. We gotta update them that the update ain't working.
You gotta update the update.
That's what they always do, is they put out an update and it breaks everything.
It's like, why you gotta go touching stuff?
Right?
It's like some of y'all that want to change the playbook after like a loss or two. Start touching things, messing with things.
What are they?
Coach Carter like a pro, baby. That would be pretty fun. Yeah, so we'll see how this candle closes here. We got some time left in the 30-minute. 15-minute did close bearish. This 15 minutes going to close in about 1 minute. Most likely not going to touch this though, right? Not touching anything here. Going to wait on this this candle closure here.
Yeah, like that. It's
Same
too
30.
choppy right now, bro.
Facts.
Well, I take a trade at 8. No, I'm not gonna trade 845 here, because typically 845 is gonna be a pullback on the 4-hour candle, and yeah, that's not a good spot to take buys, right? So price action's looking pretty decent here, right? But I think it would be much better if the 4-hour closes bullish, the 1-hour closes bullish, the 30-minute closes bullish, and the 15 close bullish all at 9 a.m. here, and then we look to get bottom wicks, right? And then we take the move back up from there. You dig?
Yo, when you gonna release the ping pong strategy, bro? You're
Hey,
good at like
by the-
drawing them lines, bro. You should just take buys and sells at them. Bing, bing,
Pink.
ping pong.
Yo, we might have the barcode strategy popping off on GJ today.
Oh.
If we can come back down
This
here.
shot.
Yeah, GJ's just running
Wow.
up now. We might have that daily barcode.
Like-
You heard?
Yer.
Oh man. Oh man.
You're not gonna find any clean traffic on GJ.
Not until 183, 345.
36. Alright,
Whatever
word.
it is. Whatever it is. 350, 3 whatever.
You getting there? We're getting close there.
We're getting it.
See?
Thanks, Bonti FX. Appreciate you, bro. Disneyland will increase ticket price. Oh man, I'm never going there.
Yeah, I was about to say.
How could you? Isn't it
Amazing.
already like max possible price for a ticket?
Right? Don't they got their foot on the necks of the like middle class families enough? They're like,
Come to
Yeah.
Disneyland. It'll be so much fun. You'll have so
Yeah.
much joy.
your dreams and whatever they say, bro.
Dreams will turn into reality.
It's only gonna cost you 3 months of work. Fair
You're gonna be-
exchange.
You're gonna be stressing for the next 6 months
So
trying to
wait
keep up with
4
bills,
hours
but-
of lines. Yeah. You're gonna get through
Yeah.
about 2-3 rides.
I'm gonna have some
Yeah.
fun at Disneyland for like $10,000. It's like, damn, I worked the whole year for this, and a couple days it's gone. Sounds like robbery.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I've never been there anyway, so.
GHH. My friend went to Disneyland Christmas, spent 8,000. His kids cried on all the rides.
Shee. Yeah, what a fun time. You be paying like what, like $50 for popcorn at this point over there. You sing
Right?
"It's a small world after all, my pockets are getting smaller."
The GMO
Oh.
corn kernels too. They got like the
Yeah. All kernels, no popcorn. What's going on here? Yeah, man, I've never been there.
What's good, TK? Like, that's facts. That's facts. If I do go there, I'll get the VIP tickets, so I don't have to wait in any lines.
Yeah, if you're going anywhere, you better get the VIP ticket, especially to an amusement park or something like that. Otherwise, you'll literally spend all day waiting on lines.
yeah.
Your girl's gonna be tight, man. If you don't get the VIP tickets, girl's gonna be tight. Make sure you get them.
Shorty gonna be mad. Yeah, I think the last like 5 times I went to Six Flags, I just got the VIP pass. They call it the flash pass. You just flash it and you pass. That's life, man. You know, I remember I was sitting on the regular line and I seen some dudes over there flashing some pass and they just cut the whole line. And I'm like, well, I want to be a part of that line, right? I want to be a part of that. How do I get into that, right? And that was my journey with entrepreneurship too. You know, I was sitting on the regular line all my life, right? And then I started seeing people doing big things, you know, things that I believed I can do as well if I followed their lead. And that's life sometimes, man. And that's a good, healthy thing, right? Sometimes you're going to look from the outside and be like, damn, you know, why is always somebody else driving my Ferrari? You know, that they made Ferraris for someone, right? Why not me or you? Right? Why not me or you? We just got to figure out the vehicle to get the vehicle, right? We got to figure out the way, right? How can we participate in that type of lifestyle? And then that's where the journey begins.
That's a great example.
Yeah. Once you see the better life, it's very hard to go back. Very, very hard to go back. Once you see there's more out there for you and that, you know, you don't have to live an average life, a mediocre life, and do the same thing that everyone else does, you'll start figuring it out, right? You'll find your niche. But you've got to be persistent. And you've got to be tough, man. You got to be mentally tough. Otherwise, you just quit along the way. It sucks, right? There's a lot of really good people I've met through trading. Also, really good people, right? Good morals, but they just can't hang, right? This stuff isn't for everyone, and it's understandable, right? It's the tough game to be in mentally. But you got to be tough. You know, you got to develop that mental toughness. And a lot of times that's going to happen through failure, right? You're going to fail. It's going to feel crappy. Maybe you'll go to a mentor or something. They'll talk it out with you. And, you know, I was very blessed to be in that type of situation. But, yeah, you got to be persistent. You got to be mentally tough.
No matter what it is either, like trading, anything, like there's going to be failure, and depending on if you're going to be successful or not in that area, in that service, depends on if you can get through the trial and error, right? The failure part of it, right? That's the only reason why people fail, or the only reason why people give up on something is because of failure. Mm-hmm. So being able to get through that, man, sheesh, you're on your way to success. Don't give up.
Yeah, one of the main things I've noticed throughout the last decade in network marketing that I did, and then also in trading and, you know, working with people and stuff, is that people can do it. They just quit way too soon, right? They just give up on things way too quick. But if they actually stuck it out, they have the capacity to get the job done. But it's a shame, man, because they just quit, right? They quit too early. So don't be a quitter, right? Quitters never win, winners never quit. And we all know about the story about the man who was 3 feet from gold. If you haven't read that book or heard that story, go ahead and check that out, all right? Because you don't want that to be you.
And man, hey, listen, a lot of reasons why people will fail through the trial and error is because of their attitude. You need to keep that attitude up. Like people look too much on the negatives, right? And that makes them quit. They lose hope on themselves. But if you can keep that positive attitude, knowing, having faith in yourself that you can accomplish your goal that you're attaining, right? You're more likely to get there and not feed into failure. If you can keep that good attitude, knowing you can do it, you'll get through that failure, right?
This is one of my favorite pictures ever. This picture right here kept me in the game for years and years and years of failure, right? This is failure, digging and digging and digging and getting dirty and not seeing anything, right? But I never wanted to be at this point when I quit, right? So therefore I never had quit in me, right? Because I just couldn't do it. So this was one of my favorite pictures coming up in the game over the last decade that really continued to inspire me, right? I had this picture right here, right on my bedroom, right outside, or as I would walk out of my bedroom door, it was right there for about 7 years. And right under it was a, like one of these index cards, right? Where it said, you know, quitters never win, winners never quit. And that has continued to keep me in the game. So this is one of my favorite pictures, man. So don't be this guy here, right? Don't be this guy who quit just shy of the prize, man. Just keep going. You never know how close you really are.
Very inspirational.
What's the last thing to grow on a fruit tree?
Fruit.
Disneyland's for softies. Yo, if you go to Disneyland, you soft, son. McDowell. Yo, I was watching that movie yesterday. McDowell's Coming to America. Knicks Nuggets. That's true, TK. That's true. I swear I needed to hear that. Got you, man. Got you. I know there's a lot of people that need to hear that today. Some of you guys come in here on your last limb, man. Some of you guys are limping in here as traders and you're struggling, right? You're struggling big time. You're struggling in your trading. You're struggling in your mentality. But that's a message for you today, man, that a lot of people struggle in the beginning, right? A lot of people struggle for years that are very, very successful today. So why should we be any different, right? If they're going to struggle to get there, then, you know, what makes us think that we won't find any struggle along the way?
And we all need to hear that every day, right? Even myself, like you need to have sell yourself to yourself, right? Kind of thing, like a pep talk to yourself. Like you need words, you need inspirational words to you, like to keep your attitude up, you know? It's very important. Like it makes a difference, right? Like when we're talking about it, it can make a difference in someone in the chat right now, in the way they're thinking now. But if they can imagine doing that, imagine talking to yourself like that every day, right? It'll definitely make a difference in the long run.
Yep. 100%. And like John said, your attitude is going to have a lot to do with it, because you could be going through the roughest stuff, but remain positive or keep a good attitude and nothing phases you. Like, you know, when I first got into network marketing many, many years ago now, like the whole positivity was a really new thing for me, right? And everyone was just so positive, man. It was like, walk in a room, they're like, yeah, what's up, winner? It's like, dude, you don't even know me, bro. Like, what are you calling me a winner for? You know, but that vibe, you know, it rubbed off on me, right? As you get around positive people, you become positive, right? And you just got to make sure you got to keep a positive attitude, positive outlook on everything, because those tough times, if you don't have that positive attitude, you're done. You'll wipe yourself out. You won't even need anything else or anyone else to wipe you out. You'll just talk yourself out of things in your own head. So you got to have that belief in yourself, and you got to have a positive attitude. My friends, they would, all of a sudden I went from being this, you know, average dude to Mr. Positive, right? And they think, damn, this guy Nick, man, he never has a bad day. But little did they know I could have been having the worst day ever. But because I understood what I understood, I knew that I had to be positive in front of that person regardless of how I felt, right? Regardless of what was going on in my life situation. And ultimately, that just helped me remain positive and develop that consistency with it. You know, and I could be having the worst day ever, but you won't know it. Right? You would never know it.
Yeah, and it's so important to think positively too, because you can't think like, it's so important because you're either thinking positively or negatively. So it's so important that you keep being positive. If not, you're gonna be negative, right? And your perspective on being positive or negative is gonna give you either a positive or negative result in your life. So it's very important, right? It's easy to get annoyed at someone that's like, oh, you're Mr. Positive, like it's annoying, but if you really want the positive result, you got to be positive, right? So
yeah, for sure. And you know what? My mentor, he lived this, right? So I learned this by example, and no one had to tell me this, right? I picked it from my mentor. I noticed that this dude was positive pretty much all. Like one day he got a root canal. Man's got a root canal. 2 hours later, he was speaking in front of 500 people. When I was talking to him after the meeting, he goes, yeah, I had a really bad root canal today. I'm like, what? Bro, if I had a root canal, I'd be home sleeping right now. You know, so, you know, winners never make excuses, and they always hold themselves to a standard, right? A higher level than everyone else. And you're going to need that. You know, you're going to need that to sustain success long term.
Hey, hyperbolic time trader, brother. What do you want me to just sit on Zoom, like not say a thing? Oh, man.
This guy said hyper. What's the guy's name? Hyper what?
Hyperbolic time trader. Trolling.
He's time trading.
Appreciate your trolls, man.
You trading time? You time trading or you trading time? Yeah, and other thing is, like, I never really asked myself, I never really said, man, I can't afford this or can't afford that. I always like, how can we afford this, right? How can we get to it, right? How can we make this thing happen? So the Bible teaches us the power of the tongue. Yeah, you guys can go read the book of Proverbs, man. You'll learn all about money. You'll learn all about relationships, about marriage, about sex, about everything. I mean, it's all in the book of Proverbs, right? You want to be really wealthy? Check out some of the stuff in Proverbs, right? When I did the sermon on wealth, I think that impacted a lot of people, because there's rules to the game. Okay, cool. So anyway, we got a candle closure here. So 4-hour candle close very nice, bullish. We kind of closed right in this zone here, so still keeping these ranges here on the 1-hour time frame. Excuse me. Nothing's really changed, right? So if we do get closures above, I'm gonna look to take buys. If we do get a move down, then, you know, still looking for sells in this range here. But as of right now, this whole zone here is just a bit choppy, right? If we look left, we notice we have a bit of a choppy range here. Hey man, I really don't like these zoom settings. Oh wow. Yeah, so if you guys see right in here, a lot of choppiness, right? Where are we in price? Price is right in this zone right now, so not really interested in much within this range here. So what do? We wait. Yeah, new 4-hour candle as well. So let's let this 4-hour candle open up and see what we got going on here. Worst case, if we get a decent steeper bottom wick and then we do get a new support form, then maybe we could take our buys coming up. If not, we probably got to wait for 87 here or 77. Alexandru, where's Alexandru? That's my guy right there. That's my guy. He'd be holding it down.
Yo, thank you, Alexandru.
Fat. I love seeing that dude just straight.
Drilling.
He'd be coming in just like, whack, 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 whack. Sit down, son. I truly believe my success is due to God, 100%. And everything we have is, everything we have is a gift, right, from God. So, but if you start thinking that your success is from you, yes, right, God. Remember, everything is a blessing from God, right? Money's a blessing from the Lord. And what does the Lord do? The Lord blesses the hands of the diligent, right? So yes, you have to do the work, but remember, the gift is coming from God himself, right? So the work that you're doing is being blessed, right? But the blessing comes from the Lord, right? So we always got to keep that stuff in mind. Yeah, there's no way you see me do what I've done, 20K subs, all this stuff in just a couple of months without God's hand on this, right? Everything you see now was taken care of in the spiritual realm in a closet during prayer time long before you ever knew my name. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Oh, someone's watching us. Who's watching us on Zoom? Check out some of the stuff with Robert. Oh, there it is. Right, when I did the sermon on wealth. Where am I hearing myself from? I hear double Nick. Oh, there it goes.
Got that YouTube going.
Someone got YouTube going. Hey, yo, what up, Augie? What's good, bro? Got an echo.
Wait, hold on. Let me play it. Do you hear it again?
Nope.
That's so weird because I was replaying the stream when you heard it.
Oh.
But like, I don't know why you would hear it through my headset. Why am I sus, Gerald?
He's sus. Don't forget Mike. It's all Nick. Nick. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, where's Mike been? Big Brother's watching? Nice. I get confused where to place my support and resistance. Can I ask why Why 1873 isn't a resistance? You're worried about what it, so the resistance I have here, so 1873 is right here, right? So maybe you're talking about this one here. So if you look left, there's a lot of consolidation, a lot of choppiness to the left here. So therefore, I moved it up. Yeah, I moved it up. Give yourself more credit. God did nothing. Oh, I strongly disagree with you, bro. Everything we have is from God, man. Go James chapter 1, verse 17. Go to James 1, 1 through 20. Go read James 1, 1 through 27. Yeah. Everything we have is a perfect gift from God. Even the fingers you use to type that. Even the thought you even thought to say that. Shiro sus. Shiro sus. What's the right Instagram handle? I'll pull it up here. Yeah, this is mine right here. So it's got my name. It's Nick Stewart with an underscore. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, we put some of our trades up here. Not all of them, but we put some trades up here. So yeah, you guys can follow me on IG if you'd like. When you close 80% or go BE 1R, does that screw your risk to reward long term? I haven't seen it hurt me long term yet, no. Ending with the underscore. Yeah, there you go. Instagrams for girls? Oh. I didn't know that.
Damn. Why you do me like that, bro?
What are girls? Yeah, give me one moment.
Feelers, bro.
Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back. Oh, nice reject. Can we get a 4-hour bottom wick or what?
Instagram is very bad. Instagram is... Yeah, they gotta get them bots under control on there, bro.
Facts.
Scam accounts and that. It's ridiculous.
Yo, Snoop. Facts. I need to do something about that.
I'm taking a trade today. Hey, that's no problem.
Because it's like, okay.
Yo, APMC, bro. I just want to say, I'm feeling for you, brother, and I want you to keep your head high and everything. That's terrible, bro. But don't say that, you know, God is wrong or anything like that, and not like, because you know what I did is I asked God to make me stronger, made me more resilient to pain, and he took the thing that I love the most from me, right? And so now nothing can hurt me like that before ever again in my life. So
Man.
Think about that. Mr.
God
Okama,
doesn't
bro.
listen to me. Well, God's not supposed to listen to you, right? He's not. We're supposed to listen to God. That's why our lives are so shambled up. Because all you want is God to listen to you, right? Everyone wants, hey, God, listen to me. No, how about you listen to God, right? Because He's already given us the secrets, right? The secrets are no secret. They're in the book. Oh, looking left, more recent support, hold right, yeah. Yeah, we got our support that we're looking for now, right? So I still think we need a steeper bottom wick here on this 4-hour candle. And this 4-hour candle also did close right at resistance here, right? So we got to be careful with that as well. There's a resistance right here to the left, and that's why I'm not going to take my buys right here on this, off of this 4-hour chart. Right, what I want to see is I want to see a 30-minute closure back above the range here. And then I'll take my buys. Yeah, because I think we still need to come down to create a little bit of a steeper 4-hour bottom wick. When we break the high in the first like minute or two, it's, you know, never the best to just execute right away like that. So let's hang tight here for a little bit longer, see what price action looks to do. But again, we've made this drastic move up. We need some sort of a bounce back now, right? Some sort of pullback, and then we can continue up. So let's wait on that, and yeah, see where this 4-hour bottom wick goes. The cool part about our sells at this point though is if we're gonna look to take range 2 sells below here, that's gonna be breaking this 4-hour low, right? So if the 4-hour candle wants to actually move bearish here today, we're gonna see that now, right, on the lower time frames, because you'll get like a 30-minute closure below the range here, breaking that previous low, right? And if we're breaking that previous low, there's a high chance we'll most likely continue down. So we'll see where this bottom wick goes to, but we've already broken the high here. Let's wait on it and see where price wants to move to now. All right, let me do this. Want to be able to help people, Nick? You've really inspired me to tell people about Yahweh. Awesome, man. Good stuff. True. Hey, Nick, when looking left, does the more recent support hold more weight? Yes, but it's always best to check, right? Because there may be a sneaky one right around the corner somewhere. So this has helped us out many times where we would have this support right here, like you see the support here. So we would mark that support up, but then all of a sudden get caught up between here. Right, so what made us look left was that, right, of why did that happen? So we'll look left, and then there's that little sneaky support level there, right? And then this whole little range here becomes a bit sketchy, right? Because this whole range right here, you've got resistance here, support here, right? This is a range that may not be able to get broken through from the top side. Or from the bottom, right? So we want to be careful here, and that's why we put that support there. So yes, you want to originally mark it off with the closest and most recent, but then you want to just backtrack just a little bit, because remember, if you can see that support, everybody else can see it as well. What everyone else can't see, or they're not willing to go look for it to see, is that little sneaky area maybe to the left hand side. So yeah, I would go back just a little bit. It doesn't have to be like months and months, but you know, just pretty recent. So you know, this is pretty recent for price. But look, price went up, came down, went up again, right? So now we're expecting that price to come up, come down, and now move back up. When you close, I already answered that one. So your interview, you did great, man. Really inspirational. Oh, thanks. Yes. What up? Yes. I like that name. Yes. Gotta say yes more. How many of you guys want to be the yes man in your family or the yes woman in your family? Right? Anyone needs a problem? Anyone has a problem or needs to be served or has a need to fill? You could say yes. I got you. I got you. I'll help you out here. Don't worry about paying it back. I want to give it to you. Yeah, one thing I never do is lend people money, right? Listen, gang, if you're going to lend someone money, just give it to them. Just give it to them. Say, I don't want to lend it to you. I just want you to have it, right? You know how many people mess up friendships and relationships for a couple bucks that wasn't paid back and all that crap, right? Just be the yes man, right? Just be like, not the yes man, right? But be the guy who can say, you need, yeah, I got you, bro. You need $1,000? I got you, man. Don't even worry about paying me back. What about at the dinner table? Don't you guys want us to be the yes guy? How many of you guys go out with your with your friends, and then once the bill comes, it gets really serious. Calculators start coming out. People start getting really good at division and math. And how about just being like, yo, boys, I already paid the bill. like most of the time when you go out with me, pretty much every time, I'm typically paying the bill, right? So who thinks about money more, you or me? You're thinking, man, you know, I want a steak, but I'm just going to get the chicken today. Yeah, chicken. Yep, we'll take the chicken today. Meanwhile, you don't even know I'm paying for the meal the whole time. You could have got appetizers, the best steak in the thing, right? So you want to fix the money problem so you don't have to be thinking about money all the time. And you could actually be the guy who says, yeah, yo, I got it. Don't worry about it, bro. I got it. I only had one person pay for me. And it was my boy, Jose. What a kind gesture, Jose. Thank you. Actually, brother Joe as well. Actually, John treated me that one time too. Yeah, I remember that. Hibachi, boy. He held it down with the hibachi. Everyone doing math, but no one knows how to tip. Yeah. Oh, man, I dreaded that, you know, gathering up in a huddle, bringing everyone's got their calculators out. It's like, no, dude, I didn't have a soda, bro. I had a water. Waters are free, bro. I didn't have I didn't get that appetizer. I didn't eat anything with you. I'm not. It's like, yo, come on, man. Come on. Let's go ahead and solve the money problem, right? So we can be that guy who just says, while they're all scrambling with the calculators, you just go, yo, dude, I already paid the bill, bro. We're good. Everyone chill out. Barcodes. Yeah, no, for sure. That's the trick. Sometimes I got to give the credit card to the waitress before the bill comes. Yeah, you got to establish that early on, like, you know, before like you guys even order. Just be like, yo, don't say anything. Just here's the card. That's it. Yeah, how about being able to say, how about being able to purchase, like my wife is good at this. My wife will just turn around and randomly pay for people's groceries. Yeah, I was looking at some statements the other day and I'm like, how come the other day at the supermarket there was like 3 charges, right? Like one big one and then 2 like decently sized ones. She was like, "Oh, you know, I forgot to tell you, there was an old couple and I guess they didn't have enough money, right? And they were just trying to figure out what they could put back, what they could take. And my wife was just like, I got you, you know? So just want to be that person, right? Just be a helping hand in the world, man. The world is hurting out here. Yeah, old people kind of really get me, right? Like they really kind of get my heart, man. Especially when I see like an older person working cleaning tables at a restaurant or something. I just bless them when I can, cuz I don't know why, but they really tugs on my heart when I see that. What state am I in? Oh, should I tell you? Should I tell you? I'm in the great state of Florida. Yeah, exactly. W wife? Oh yeah, big W. Oh, what up, Toby? Oh, let's see pound yen moving up here now. Let's take a look, Toby. Yeah, we got pretty decent move here on GJ. We're pretty yeah, we're bullish here, right? Yeah, we're bullish on the day. GJ moving up nice now on the daily. So yeah, pretty clean traffic here. We'll see if we get some sort of a closure. I think there's another resistance here on the 1 hour. No, I think we're good. Let's check the 30-minute here. Yeah, this 30-minute resistance kind of got to adjust that there.
Yo, slam dunk. They trying to hide us, bro. Zoom.
Oh, damn, Zoom's.
They trying to.
Yo.
They don't want us free, bro.
We got to fix this up. We got to fix this up.
Zoom quaking.
Zoom quick. Yeah, Zoom is after us, man. So we got 30-minute closures here coming up in about 3 minutes. So it looks like the 30 is gonna close maybe bearish here, right? So you may get a bearish close here on gold, which is gonna probably push price down, right? On the next candle, we got a lot of volume coming in here within the next candle or so. Yeah, so we'll see. When can we buy? Man, whenever you could buy right now. Buy it, brother. Buy it. You could buy now, Omar.
Send her in.
Full send it, dude. NYC is open. Yeah. So the stock market's going to open here. It's not the best price action though. Right? We don't want to take sells because we're bullish on the day. And all these candles have closed bullish. Right? 4 hour close bull, 1 hour close bull, right? 30-minute is possibly going to close bearish here. Now the one reason I'm thinking about the sells coming down is simply because 4 hour did close at resistance, right? But yeah, I'm not gonna be taking sells in this range here, unfortunately. If we had a bearish day, then yes, but right here, right now, nope. What would you say is a good amount to start with? Any amount, really. Yeah, if you're just starting out and you're just learning, even $100 is not a bad idea, right? $100, and you know you're able to test things out, right? Test strategies out, test setups out, all that good stuff. So if it's for learning purposes only, just put like $100 in there and you know trade like 0.01s for a month or two. Sucks. It's like watching paint dry, but it's gonna help you learn without putting too much capital at risk. Oh, let's see here. I've got a big question, bro. All right, maybe I'll have a big answer. Let's see. Let's see when the question comes in. I'm trying to go full-time, man, and off work from doctors. What was the question though? I have a 250 euro live. What's the best lot size? Probably like 0.20 maybe. All right, so yeah, so we did close bearish. You may see price move down here, right, to fill this wick. I'm not taking these sells though, because remember, 4 hours very bullish here. We already broke the highs. I can see why price would drive down, of course, but I'm not gonna take these sells here, going against a daily bias. But it looks good to come down, but I'm not gonna break my rule for this move. I want to see if we can get closures below, right? If we can get closures below, then I may be open. But other than that, this may just be, you know, a bottom wick for the 1 hour candle to continue moving up here. So, yeah, I'm not going to touch these sells, but it looks like we broke the lows there. We'll see what happens. If anything, we wait on the 15-minute support here, and then we move back up. Saw the interview with Calvin. Good stuff, bro. Hey, Gino, what's up, brother? Yeah, hey, thanks for setting that up, man. Yeah, thanks for bridging the gap there. Good stuff, bro. Good to see you here today, Gino. Hope you're doing well. Hope the family's well. Hope you guys are doing good. I'm trying to do it right, man, and thanks, bro. Yeah, if you're trying to do it, you're trying to do it right. So, you know, can you make a lot of money with a 0.2 or 0.1? Not really, but it gets you started, right? It gets you it opens up the doors for you, and you know, as you grow your account, you can increase your lot size. So maybe you won't make money in the first couple months, but as you continue to get better and grow and become better as your own trader, then you know you'll begin to be at a level where you can increase those lot sizes, and then that's when the money will start flowing in. So yeah, just Just take your eyes off the money for a little bit and get that skill set down. And then once the skill's down, now the money will float. GJ closed right at resistance here, so nothing. I'm waiting for a pullback here on pound yen. Been moving on up this whole day. Learning is profitable too. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Learning's the most profitable, right? And then the profits just flow in from that learning. Some of you guys seen the interview with Calvin. I was talking about my experience in, you know, the years that I spent in network marketing under some really good mentorship. And, you know, I thought I was going to make a lot of money doing that, but I got something way more valuable than money out of it, right? And that was a lot of life lessons, right? Life skills. So, yeah, then the money will follow after, right? After you get the skills down. Does that mean I eat dog food? Yes, sir. All I eat is dog food, baby. The dog gotta eat. Right, Corey? Right, John? Dogs gotta eat. Oh, Johnson. Right, Sam?
Dog gotta eat.
Sam knows. Sam's a dog.
Gotta find my headset mic. I'll use this one. Yeah, bro, I thought I was gonna get roasted earlier. I was sitting out here eating zebra cakes. My first joint, bro.
Yeah, as I said, the
get that
dog
weight
food.
up.
Got to get the weight up with the dog food.
Somehow, bro. We got zebra food.
The dog. Yeah, so again, I could see why this move would happen, right? Volume coming in at 930 here, but to take this sell would be completely against everything we discussed here so far today. Is there any chances to get into buys today in gold London session? Yeah, there was a few people that took buys during the London session there today. I know, Raja killed it during London, yep. He did. Yeah, you should at least tap into this support here. And then we'll see what price wants to do from there. Got a journal, learning every day. Awesome, dude. Good stuff. You took a buy? Awesome. Good luck. Good luck. Got you, Bryant. Got you, bro. Is it good to buy now? If you have confirmations, then yeah. Yeah, if you have your confirmations that you look for, then of course. I just subbed. Oh, nice. Awesome. Hey, we got a sub today. Do I have Insta? Yeah, my Insta's right here. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's right here. Yeah, we post most of our trades here as well. So you guys come back, take a look at our trades. Not all of them, but some of them are up here. Yeah. If you guys want some good book recommendations, got some good books up here if y'all want to skim through and find some books. Yeah, these are some of my favorites, right? Think and Grow Rich, Magic of Thinking Big, Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Slight Edge, 5 a.m. Club. Great books there. What to say when you talk to yourself. Amazing. But yeah, if you guys want to follow me, this is my IG.
Instagram is for girls, bro.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
What's wrong? Oh, bro, did you hear that?
What?
Popped the lid on the water, it sprayed me, bro.
He's sweating. He's sweating.
Getting thirsty, getting sticky up in here.
Getting sticky with this patience, man. Have I read Trading in the Zone? Yes. Congrats on 20K subs. Did we hit 20K?
20K?
20K, eh? Did we hit it? I don't know. Did we?
Y'all better not be capped. If I refresh and it's not 20K, everyone that says 20K is banned.
How do you create these future predictions or moves in your head to know long or short? Just experience. You know, I knew price would come down here because we have 930 in, right? So volume is here. So typically when there's wicks will get filled during volume, or if there's like supports, they'll get retested. So that's why I had a really strong feeling that you would see this move down here. But that goes against our plan here today, right? So that's why we didn't take that position there.
No, I said no. I said if I refresh and it's not at 20K, you get banned. Not if you say 20K.
You get banned. Banned. Are we at 20K? Let's check.
I'm about to refresh.
Lord,
I'm about to refresh. Dudes better not be capping. Let's see, 20K. 20K, boys. 20K.
Hey, 4 hours. Hey, thank you,
Why
Lord.
not tomorrow?
Praise God, right? Praise God. 20,000 people. A lot of people have been impacted. A lot of people have been increasing their level of belief and determination in life. And it's good to see you guys getting better on the charts as well. So 20K on to 30.
Go.
Another one.
Words. Amen to that. Amen to that.
Dubs in the chat.
Yeah,
Dubs in the chat.
What say?
Oh, let me get an Instagram flicks of all the W's so we can show all the girls.
Yeah, show all the ladies.
All right.
Yeah, that's why I'm on the Instagram chat. You say that's for all
20K.
I'll be trolling.
Oh, hold on. There we go. Let me
What up,
refresh.
Green?
Yeah, I appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate you guys. 20K. I remember when we celebrated 1900 here. Or no, I remember when we celebrated 100 here. So pretty awesome. Pretty awesome to see the growth. And I'm just proud of you guys too, man. A lot of you guys, you know, there's some Quakers here and there, right? Like some brokies here and there, but like you got to expect that. But the rest of you guys, man, so proud of you. The majority of you guys are really crushing it. Really, really crushing it. Oh, damn. Damn, son. We got W's. Oh, Rafi, thanks, bro. All right. W's. So we'll have to set up our 24-hour stream here pretty soon. Maybe at the end of the week. What's today? Thursday? Oh, Wednesday. Should we run that 24 tonight? You got Thursday Asian, you got Thursday London, and then you got Friday New York. So tomorrow night. Right? Yeah, tomorrow's Asian session might be it. $20K in 8 months. Congrats. Thanks, Green. Appreciate that, bro. Shout out to Greenery. Oh, damn. We might have to, yeah, we might have to run that tomorrow. All right. So, look, we tapped into that support there, and now we're kind of backing out. So, let's see how we close. 15-minute candle close in 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. Next goal 30K. Yeah, actually 20K was, I have it written up on my whiteboard over on the other side of the room, some goals for the beginning of 2024, and I wrote those about a few months ago, and 20K subs on YouTube was one of them, so checked off the list a bit early here. Sometimes, gang, you'll set your goals and you will be surprised at how quick they'll actually come to you, right? But you'll never get them if you don't set them.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, we're going to go have some fun and scratch that one off.
Personal shout out to you though, for me though, Nick. A lot of people, they don't know what it takes to come and sit behind us every single day, and I'm sure there's a lot of days that you just probably want to be like, man, I want to trade by myself, but you still pull up every single day for every single person here. So big shout out to you. You know, it's different for like me or John, like where if we just don't want to be here for a day or something like that, bro, it's like we literally could, but nah, you don't have that choice. So big shout outs to you, bro.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate that.
Sure.
20K. On to the next.
Yeah. See, what do you guys think? We squeeze out another 5 before the end of the year? Another 5K? I think so.
Ooh, 25.
Before the end of the year?
Yeah, we can't end the year at like 22 or 23 or 24. It's got to be like 25.
Yeah.
Pumping 930, 945 here. Let's see how the 15 close. Closing no bottom wick. Perfect. So now we may get the fake out here, right? Fake out on the 15 for price to now move back up. So let's see if we're continuing to wait, right, on that support here. So 15 closing no bottom wick right at support. Filled the wick almost, right? Got right to it. That's what volume will do. And now let's see if we end up moving up from here, right? And creating support. But those sells were a given, to be honest, there. But I didn't want to take those going against our daily bias here. But clearly, right, moving down. Yeah, we'll move the 24-hour stream till next week. We'll promote it better, yeah. All right, give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm going to grab some more water and wait for this candle to close, and we will see if we get some positions here in a little bit.
Oh, AB Mike, good question. Good question. 24K to bring in 2024 with the 24-hour. Oh, Louis G. This dude knows what's up. Magnifico, what's good, bro? What's good with me? Another beautiful day. I get to do what I love. That's just good. Sam and John, congrats for 20K subs as well. Bro, congrats to everyone. I feel like everyone's just grown so much here as well. Like, there's been so many people in the community that have done some great things and have grown so much since the beginning of the year. So I'm proud of a lot of people.
Yes, sir. It's a congrats to TTE, man.
Yeah.
It's a TTE victory. I'm just the face on the left, top left of the screen, but there's a lot of people that contribute to what you guys see here. And I don't want to go saying any names because there's a lot of people, but cheers, man. Cheers to all y'all. Big victory for the squad in general, for the family. All right, look at this. 15 moving up here. Chatty chat chat. 15 moving up. Will this be the final liquidity grab here for the 30-minute to close bullish? Yeah, can we see this 30-minute candle close bullish here at all? All right. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on the 15-minute here. I was here for 20K. Let's go. Who's here for 100? Nothing like TTE. Make a huge difference. Yeah. Got a trade in the house. What up? Got a trade?
Got a trade. What's up?
What broker do I use? I use an 8 cap for the funded, and I have another account with Dominion Markets. Yeah, I went and hung out with some very successful traders down here in Tampa yesterday. Had some cigars and talked, and it's a good conversation, man. I'm actually gonna be on another podcast here pretty soon, coming up. So we're gonna record it next week. Another pretty big pod too. Pretty popular one. Oh, damn. 15 closed above.
GJ.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Just keep running. How's Dominion Markets? They're good. The one thing I don't like about some brokers is the different 4-hour candle. That's one thing that just kind of like irks my nerves, but it's okay. Do you smoke cigars? Not really. Very rarely. Sometimes. Special occasions. What time do we start the live stream? We start at 6:45 a.m. Eastern. We can't see John and Sam. Now you guys can. What up, Yanosh?
We're had.
Yanosh in the house. I don't think I said what up to Yanosh today. How you doing, bro?
You know, shh.
All right, 15 moving up. So this 15 close will be the hourly close as well here. Also 30-minute closure. So let's see really how this candle closes and where it closes, and then we may be looking to move back up now. So just hang tight for another 6 minutes here. Yeah, GJ15 actually closed above. Broke the highs there, nice. Oh. Yeah, nah, that was the resistance I was looking at there. I don't think we closed above on the 30-minute. Yeah. Yeah, not a bad move. Any of you guys in GJ? Not a bad move here. No. Can we adjust the sell level for GJ? No. Yeah, GJ is very bullish here. I really don't care for sells at all unless we break that daily low there. Right? So if we break this daily low, then maybe I'll take sells. But yeah, definitely not yet. All right. Oh, you ready for the 24-hour stream? It's coming. It's coming. All right, let's see. We got just a few minutes left here on the 15. So, yeah, if we can push up and this 30 can close bullish, we may have an opportunity here. May have an opportunity. 4 hour. We want to anticipate the move up here, right? On the 4 hour, higher time frame move. So if this 4 hour wants to rip here today, once we create a support now, I think price is pretty decent to move up. Yeah, this support here was made at 8:30. We didn't touch that, right? That was news. And then this 30-minute was the first 30 of the 4 hour candle, which was, we're bullish on the day, right? Bullish on the 4 hour, 1 hour, all that. So knew that these sells would play out most likely, but wasn't going to take those. And now let's see if this, being that we didn't break the low here, this may be that grab that we needed for price to start heading north now. All right, you see a move up, some consolidation, support form, and then we can get a potential move back up now. What y'all think, boys? Support and we gone?
Yeah, I like it. The only thing I don't like is the resistance.
Yeah, that one resistance there. Yeah.
4 hour, I mean, should go up. There's the resistance on the 4 hour too. I don't like, but
yeah. Yep.
I think, yeah, like you can get like a nice little strong bullish candle in that 30-minute. You're gonna keep going. We'll see.
Yeah.
555, baby.
Yeah, on the 15 looks wonderful.
Yeah, so there's 2 minutes left. So this is what I'm looking at here, chat. So if we can close bullish, right, on this candle, creating that support after these 2 grabs now to the downside, which we were expecting, right? We were expecting price to move down a bit, create support on the 15-minute. Looks like we got a fake out here on the 15-minute. And if we close strong bullish, this 30-minute also closes bullish as well. And that may be a sign for us to move up. Right? Remember the 4 hours came down, never broke the low, is coming back up now to try and move up now. So that's what we were looking to anticipate here on the 30-minute time frame. So if you do get a bullish candle closure, then there may be opportunity here for us. Yeah, because what we could say is that this move down has been our 4-hour bottom wick, right? So now the move coming back up is price now retracing to move back up. And, you know, we've already broken the highs here. So,
And we respected the lows too when we came down. I think that's another huge thing.
and
Like
that,
when the 4-hour made its bottom way. Yeah.
yeah. So we'll see. We got 1 minute. Yo, my internet went out yesterday and it like completely shut down everything here. All right, let's see what happens here in 12 seconds. All right, so 1 hour close bearish here. 4 hours still looking pretty good bullish. 30-minute close bullish as well here. 15 as well. So let's see if we can get a bit of a bottom wick on this candle, and then we'll have buy stops here. You've got about a 26 pip wick fill. Stops will be kept under the lows here. And that'll be the trade. Yeah. Oh, are we coming up? Can we come back down for us? Yeah, if you don't like these stops, if they're too big for you, then wherever this candle closure is, you can use those stops. Or, yeah, the 15 stops are down there too. So, yeah, whatever works best for you. If you want to use that one, or I'm going to use the previous candle stops here. And, yeah, that'll be my trade. So, going to have buy stops here, chat, on the break of the highs for price to continue on up. Yep. This is the support we've been waiting for the entire day. So yeah, we might be able to see if we can squeeze one out here, push one up, and once we fill this wick, that'll be the break-even point for me, and then look to continue on up, right, on the 4 hour, right? If the 4 hours breaking the highs here, we're going to go risk-free, and then if the 4 hours breaking those highs, that's when you should see a pretty decent move up. So that is what we're looking at. So buy stops here on the break of the highs, a little bit above the break of the highs. Just don't forget to account for spread here. What's the difference between this and your course? I don't have a course. No course. This is the course right here.
Yeah, if this thing re-breaks the highs now, it's looking
Yeah.
good.
High probability will go up, but it's a probability, right? It's not guaranteed. Just saw Don take a loss today after the news. That's fine. Traders lose, gang. There's traders lose trades. You guys know that, right? Remember, the win comes from executing on the plan. That's all this thing is will you execute on your setup? Though you may win, you may lose. It's totally normal to take losses as a trader. Totally normal. How'd GJ do? Coming back down here now? Just deposit again. Haters love when, haters, some of you guys get excited about other traders losing. Meanwhile, y'all lose all the time. Gang, trading's losing is normal, right? You lose trades when you're a trader. Shapeless Circle's in the building. What up, Shapeless Circle? Holy, good to see you here, man. Damn, it's been a minute. How you been, bro? Good to see ya. All right, maybe we can get activated here. So buy stops.
Put me in, go.
Yeah, break even point for me is gonna be once we start to approach this wick fill here, or this the 4-hour high, right? So once we approach there, I think if we re-break that high, then we should be good to push up now, right? But if we don't, then we may start to move back. So a little bit before that high breaks is when I'm looking to probably go break even. About 23 pips. Win or lose, I don't give a crap. Exactly. There you go.
Good mentality.
Good mentality. All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Win or loss, I don't care, but a win would be nice. Yeah, right.
All right. What we're gonna do here, because I believe that there is news, right? Let me see here. Do we have news coming in? I thought I seen 10:15, right? Yeah, 10:15 news coming in. So I'm gonna delete these buy stops for right now. So delete the buy stops here, and then we're gonna revisit this on the candle close after the news comes out here. TTD. TTD.
Time to delete.
I was just thinking about that on my way back to the room here. I'm like, wait, I think we got news coming up.
Delete.
Man, I just got you just set your partials up. Yeah, let's delete this and let's wait. Yeah, the speech. Yeah, we're just gonna let the folder come out and get the result, and then we're gonna possibly re-add positions. We'll see at that point. So delete the buy, or I'm deleting the buy stop. You guys can leave it, delete it, whatever you guys want to do. Take sells, take buys, take a sideways position, whatever you want to do. But I'm just gonna wait here for 5 minutes and see how the candle closes. It shouldn't be too crazy, no. Oh, you're right. Damn, I should have deleted that on the low. Only the signals chat. You're right. Yeah, it may not be much of an impact, but it's always best to revisit, right? Because we also don't want this candle to flip at 10:14 here and then close with no top wick either, right? So we also just want to avoid that too. Learned a lot from you today. Oh, nice. Good stuff. Good stuff. Shapeless circles back in the house. What is goody? Bobby Extreme. What's good, Bobby? Sideways position. Yeah, can we hit the next bar? The news at 1 should move. Yeah, it should more than this dude, I know. What's your favorite news event? I like CPI. In a buy from 1816? Holy! Wow! Damn, son! Still holding? Holy! 1816. All right, I don't know where your stop is, but let's just see how many pips you're up here. He did it again. Post this on IG, bro. Come on. Where we at? Where's price? Oh, damn. 534 pips? Yeah, you probably look to secure some profits soon.
Yeah, I like what Shara said, bro. What else? How much more you want out of this one?
Yeah. Right.
Damn, son. That's a move. It's like the old intraday move right there. Damn, buddy. Damn, buddy. How much more do you want out of that? He's Jerome Powell's signal provider. Word. Why don't you jump on Zoom here?
Oh,
Tell us where
okay.
gold is going. Nah, nice job. It was a swing? Nice. Yeah, nah, nice job. Holding, man. You might as well keep holding. Yeah, if it's a swing, you might as well just hold on this thing. Hold on tight. All right, daily candles are looking good to move up, so. But yeah, man, we haven't got much here, right? The move happened during London, and then we've been sideways here since 7 a.m. So 7, 8, 9, 10 here now, right? Just been moving sideways here. We can get rid of this. Put your stops like 300 pips in profit and wait it out. Yeah, there you go. I'm addicted to blue cheese.
Whoop-dee.
Whoop-dee. He said, whoop-dee. I'm addicted to blue cheese.
Blue cheese.
Don't ever stop holding. Be like the girl from Titanic. I'll never let go. Gold, I'll never let go. I promise. Random last hours of eternity. I'm eating blue cheese. What are you saying? Just pop up out of nowhere. What up, last hours? There you go, Tony. You could buy that wick right there. Snipe it. Snipe it, son.
Cowboy.
Yeehaw. Come on, 15. What's going on with you? These 1 hour candles suck. Arm. Yeah, we got the barcode going on here. Up, down, up, down.
Barcode.
Oh, what do we got here in Discord? Let's take a look at this. Holy!
Hey, some of y'all got me laughing super hard in Discord yesterday.
Yo, my internet went down yesterday, like literally like 30 minutes after the stream. No one had internet issues but me. Yeah.
Really?
Had to call them up, G-check them. I pay the highest price internet. Rah, 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 rah. You know, I had to yell at them and stuff.
I pay the highest price. This is bullshit. On the phone with him.
I had to become a different Nick than you guys know. Had to put on my demanding, negotiating mask on.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
Just kidding. I make my wife yell at those people. Oh. W wife. Yeah, man. You get a Dominican chick, start arguing with people over the phone, G-checked. Hi, honey. Speaking of her. Hey. Maverick's in the house. What's up, Maverick? Did you have a good sleep, buddy? You going to read the books? Maverick goes right to the bookshelf, just like his dad. He's a learner. Any girls here? I'm looking for a wife who will trade gold with me. Yo, that's funny.
brother. Stop.
Start a family sitcom. Yeah, son. Gold is stuck here. Pound yen is stuck. Everything is just stuck. So no movement due to that 15 candle there. This is it, 10:15, right? So this dude's words hold zero weight. What's your sign? I might know someone. Speech must be boring. Yeah. His boring speech is making our candlesticks boring here as well. All right, can we try this again? Hey, buddy. What up? What it do? Are we doubling the lot sizes? Yes, let's do it. Triple them. Quadruple them. Full margin Thursday tomorrow.
Love it.
What up, Van Trading? Did we take anything this morning? Nah, we didn't. Freaking move happened in London, eh? Yeah, London gave us the goodies, and then look at this. 7, 8, 9, 10, man. Just chalked. Right, buddy? They're chalked. I'll test the mic. Yeah. I can't double full margin. How are we going to double our full margin trades already? Yeah, man, nothing here all day. Called this 30-minute wick fill here at 9:30, but I mean that was pretty obvious. But didn't really want to go against a higher time frame on that move, so just let it go. What's her name? Oh, it's the boy. It's the little guy. His name is Maverick. He's in his little sleep sack. Talk to the people, Maverick. Give him some advice. Talk to him. Oh, price coming back up now? All right. There you go. All right. Yeah, price looks like it's coming back up now. I'm not gonna set the buy stop again though. I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to close here. Peace, Maverick. Later, bro. I deleted the buy stop. So I deleted the buy stop. There's 6 minutes left in the 30-minute candle, so I'm gonna wait. Oh, it's a boy. Could be a cat now. What is it called again? What do you identify as? Ow, whoop that boy.
A helicopter. I love when
I identify as a helicopter.
Yeah, that's
because
what I
I'm
love.
so damn fly. You heard me?
Yerk.
Oi.
Cheryl identify as a blizzard.
This is my blizzard. Yeah, with with- yeah, as soon as Maverick speaks, he'll be leading trade setups. Here you go. Today only signals are gonna eat. Yeah, let's go, Andrew. Let's go. Yeah, we may have moves later on. There's some heavy news coming in later this afternoon, so where's the news at? News. Yeah, we got more news here. I got a red folder at 2, so we'll see. How many people we got here today? 1,500 on the nose. Appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys haven't gave the stream a like, give the stream a like here. We cracked 20,000 subscribers here today, so a big W on the day. Haven't gotten haven't gotten on the board yet here on the charts, but we may get an opportunity here. But man, if you haven't liked the stream yet and you're getting something from the stream, if you're learning, give the stream a like. That's all I ask for, is just a like. Just one like from you. That's all. That is all. Don't give me too much. Maverick's words of wisdom, regardless. Yeah. What age you are, you got to try and remain childlike at heart. Yeah, my mentor would tell me all the time, never grow up. Never grow up. Right? Accept the responsibilities as a man, but never grow up. Never lose that childlike yes, right? That childlike just laughter and ability to play around and imagine and all that good stuff. Oh, damn, Cheryl's going to be starving? Uh-oh. Cheryl don't ever starve. There's never-ending pips in Wakanda land. Yo, Forex Gump, bro. That's funny.
You seen that, bro?
That's hilarious.
I seen that. I was like, oh, he's talking crazy, bro.
Oh, man. I'm a juicer candle.
I identify as a pack run.
Yo. Oh, man. You know what I'm getting good at? Which comments to read and which ones to just let go. That right there is a skill set in itself. First time here, Stone Lala. What up? What up? Thanks for coming by here today. Yeah, if you guys could like the stream, give the stream a like. And if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're here for you, man. We're here every day. Oh, we're going to break the high move here in the last 1 minute. Let's see. We have the 4 hour moving back up now, right? Creeping back up. 1 hour starting to flip bullish after moving down with no top wick. 4 hours looking, you know, we respected the low here. We broke the highs already. My only concern here on the 4 hour would be this range right here. Right? Can we actually move past that and start trading above so we can move into this clean traffic territory? We'll see. Now I see why you skipped mine. Red built 850. What up? Nah, I'm just kidding. Some of them I don't read because they're just pointless. But some of them I really do miss. I miss some of your messages here and there. Sit down, boy. Okay, so candle close, right? We had a bearish candle closure on the 30-minute. Closed bullish on the 15, and I don't really like this. Yeah, it's not looking the greatest here.
Volume gone.
Nothing. Nothing.
Chop.
Chop.
Come back next session.
London session taking all the pips today, bro.
Yeah, London took all the pit. All you guys that did well in London, congrats, man. Congrats.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Because yeah, you had a nice opportunity in London, but New York just kind of dragged itself out here. It seems like we had a little minor push, right, for that news earlier, and that was about it. That was about it. I was just doing a little trolling. Oh, that's good.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
We like to troll just a little bit.
Something's light.
Something light.
Tiny bit.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Always check. Nice, nice. Yeah, so yeah, I don't see any opportunity. I mean, you may move down. We've rejected this area twice. You may move up. We've got a ton of resistance here in front of us, so volume's kind of moving towards the back end. We'll see if we pick up a little bit later to potentially have some more positions, but other than that, I think that's it. I think I'm gonna call it here, call it a stream, and move on to the next, right? Maybe after this hour candle closes or something, there may be another opportunity. But yeah, I think that's going to be it here for me today, gang. Beautiful day of patience, right? We didn't jump in here and try and revenge the loss we took yesterday. We just sat tight, sat on our hands, wait for the next best setup. And that's what we'll come back and do next time we approach the markets, and every time we approach the markets for that matter. So W day here. Great job. 20K subs hit today, which was a W there. So at least we got one W in on stream with the 20K subs. We're gonna do a long stream. Hey, what I'm gonna look to do, don't leave just yet. What I'm gonna look to do is I'm gonna see if I can get some big boy traders on our 24-hour stream. Some of my friends that are, you would know their names if I talked about them. I'm gonna see if we can get some of those guys on for the 24-hour stream, and just to not teach or call trades or anything like that, but just to kind of speak a little bit, right? So we'll see if we can get some big boy traders. We're also gonna try and look to see if we could donate to some unfortunate kids. So if you guys are serious about the charity and you guys want to raise money on that 24-hour stream, what we'll do is we'll raise the money, and then we'll go and share with you where we're going to give it away at. So yeah, we're going to try and find some kids that we can help in the Tampa area, see if we can do that. And then yeah, I'll see if I can get some traders, some big boy traders on for the 24-hour stream that we got going on next week. So yeah, that's it. I think that's all the final announcements that I had to make. Sam, John, any closing remarks here today?
Hey, what a beautiful day it was. That's all.
Yeah. Nope, no
20K.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Another day of practicing the patience, practicing the discipline,
Yep.
doing what we love. Yeah.
Sweet.
W day.
Awesome. All right. Well, that'll do it. Hope you guys have a
Thanks for
great
having me,
one.
brother.
Yes, sir. We'll see you all tomorrow
Hey,
on
boys.
Zoom. See you, John. We'll chat later. Sam, I'll talk to you in a little
Sure.
bit.
Yep, I'll talk to you guys soon.
All the mods, appreciate you
chat.
guys jumping on today. I hope you guys have a great day. Everyone else, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. If today was your first day, come on back, and I'm pretty confident that you're going to learn a thing or two here on the live stream. So I think that's it for the day. Ladies and gents, y'all be blessed. Have a great one. I'm going to spend some time in worship, and hopefully y'all vibe out and worship with me on the way out of here today. But love y'all. Hope you guys have a great one. See you tomorrow. Peace.